Hello everyone, Shreyas here, your master teacher for physics at Vedantu, going live. Can you hear me? Hello everyone. My chat box. Hello. Hello, JEE enthusiasts. Welcome aboard. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Hit the chat box. And today we are going to discuss the first shift, the morning shift, the first paper of JEE Mains today. Hello everyone, and this is Shreyas here, your master teacher for physics, going live at Vedantu. We are going to discuss all the questions of physics, chemistry and maths. We are going to start with physics first. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Well, Albert, just try refreshing. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. All right, let's begin. How was the paper? Was physics easy? And didn't I tell you so many questions are going to be easy? And didn't I tell you that so many questions are going to be just memory based, formula based, definition based? How was the paper? Let me know. Is it echoing? Okay, I'm not sure. Why is it echoing? All right. Paper was easy. Is it still echoing? Is there a sound problem? All right. Just one second. Well, sound is lagging, robotic sound. Okay, we are just checking it out. Don't worry guys, don't worry. We are going to start the discussion. Well, I hope you have already hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you want me to discuss the entire paper. Come on, go ahead, do that right now. Let's do this. Ignore the echo guys, just ignore the echo. There is a technical team looking into this. Don't worry, even if my sound sounds a little bit robotic, it's okay. Let's start discussing the question papers. And remember, if you are done really well in this paper, believe me, you're going to get free admission in our Eklavya batch, which is a free batch for solving all the questions, discussing all the assignments, test papers, etc. for JEE Advanced. The batches are going to start very soon. All right, so let's start discussing with the first question, guys. Yes, Surya, very good. The paper was very easy. Lenovo also saying very easy paper. Let's start discussing the paper. Yes, Sriram, let's start discussing. Now, here is the first question out here. Match the following type, but there were options given. Which of the following value of A? So match the following for the value of A for following processes represented by PV raised to some A or alpha is some constant. All right. So constant pressure, constant volume, constant temperature, no heat exchange. So let's start discussing this. See guys, PV raised to alpha is constant. All right. PV raised to alpha is constant. It's given in the question, and constant pressure as in isobaric process, constant volume as in isochoric process, constant temperature as in isothermal process, no heat exchange as in adiabatic process. Now, for constant pressure, what will be constant? P will be constant, correct? P will be constant. For constant volume, V will be constant. All right. And for constant temperature, pressure into volume will be constant, correct guys? And for no heat exchange, PV raised to gamma will be constant. Is that clear? So PV raised to gamma will be constant. So think about it. For option A, when pressure is constant, how will you get that? P into V raised to 0 is constant. Think about it. So P into V raised to 0, if it is constant, then pressure will be constant because V raised to 0 will be 1. Is that clear? So hence for option A, the value of that power or that alpha value, that value of alpha will be 0. I hope this is clear. Similarly, for option B, when volume is constant, understand the value of alpha will be infinity. This is a standard thing, because if PV raised to infinity is constant, if it is constant, alright, so if PV raised to infinity is constant, then think about it guys, take the infiniteth root, P raised to 1 by infinity into V raised to 1 is equal to some new constant. Just think about this as some new constant. So P raised to 1 by infinity is P raised to 0 into V is constant. That means V is going to be constant. So that's for option B, alpha is infinity. That's very easy guys. And for constant temperature, for option C, alright, the value of alpha will be 1, and for option D, the value of alpha will be gamma. That's it. I hope this is clear. Well, the question could be slightly different. Yes, because remember this question has been made based on memory. So we have been collecting questions based on memory, but I think the question's bhavna, the question's theme, the question's idea would be very similar. So this is how you are supposed to solve. Exactly the options might not match because we have collected these questions based on memory. So guys, I hope you understood the theme of the question and how to solve this particular question. Shall we go ahead? So the correct answer for this in this situation I think will be B. Alright, so that is the correct option. Okay, cool. Let's get going. Don't worry about option B and D guys, even if they are same or different, don't worry. But the idea is that for constant pressure V, that alpha is 0, for constant volume alpha is infinity, for constant temperature alpha is 1, and for no heat exchange alpha will be gamma. That's all, don't worry about it. Okay, so yes, this kind of question already came in Vedantu test, by the way. Here is the next one. In a double star system, the question is find the value of angular velocity. In double star system, the question was find omega. So I'll tell you how to do this particular question. First of all, understand this double star system is going to rotate about their common center of mass. So their common center of mass will be somewhere over here. This is where the center of mass will be. Each star will rotate about the center of mass like this. If one mass is here, other mass is here, they'll both rotate like this, correct? So let's assume this distance to be R1, this distance to be R2. You need to find out R1 and R2 because you will need it for finding that force and centripetal acceleration and all that. So think about it. Why are they rotating? Because of the mutual force of gravity. So there is gravitational force on this guy and there is gravitational force on this guy, and that force of gravity is causing mass into centripetal acceleration. So if I am talking about this mass, it will be m1 into acceleration of this mass. m1 into acceleration of this mass. As this mass goes in a circular path, alright, it will have some acceleration towards the center. You can do it for the other mass also because the time period or omega values will be same. Okay, so what is the gravitational force? The force is G, alright, m1, m2 divided by the distance between them whole square. That is the formula for force. Next, mass m1 into acceleration. Now acceleration is omega square radius. The radius will be r1. I hope you see that. The radius is r1. So m1 omega square r1. That's it. I hope this is clear. Alright, just hold on. If the video is not clear, I'll just change the settings. Just one second. Okay, so I just reduce the brightness. I hope now it is clear, guys. I hope now it is little bit better. Okay, so now what is the value of R1? What is the value of R1? Here is what you will do. R1 by R2 will be M2 by M1. This is the logic which you should use because the center of mass will divide the distance between the two masses in the inverse ratio. Center of mass will divide it in the inverse ratio of the masses. Now, you can also write it as R2 by R1. Alright, you can also write it as R2 by R1 is nothing but M1 by M2. Next step, use componendo. So using componendo, R2 plus R1 divided by R1 is M1 plus M2 divided by M2. I have just used componendo property. Now what is R2 plus R1? It is the total distance R. So from this I am going to get R by R1 is equal to M1 plus m2 divided by m2. Therefore, R1 from this is going to be, think about it, R1 will be R times m2 divided by m1 plus m2. That is what I'm going to get. Substitute the value over here. You're going to get this as m1 omega square. Substitute this value R divided by, m2 is also there, upon m1 plus m2. And here you have G m1 m2 divided by R square. Now m1 m2 and m1 m2 from here will get cancelled. So you will get omega square is equal to G times m1 plus m2 divided by R cube. R square into R is R cube. So this is what the final answer is. Alright. So I hope you can see from this. This is the answer. This is how it is. I hope this is clear. Yes, these are questions based on memory from the original paper. Alright. Don't worry guys, the options could look slightly different because these options have been based on memory. So understand, I'm telling you the trend, I'm telling you the theme of the question, I'm telling you how this question has to be solved. You know now from this which was the closest correct answer. So don't worry about the actual question paper right now. These are based on memory based. Okay, next, what is the sign of the focal length in a convex mirror? So here the question was actually what is the sign of focal length. So the question is on focal length. So guys, this was such a direct question. What did I tell you? There are going to be many easy questions, formula based, definition based. Yes, very good. So this is convex mirror guys. So convex mirror is going to look like this. The rays, if they come like that, what is going to happen? They are going to diverge like this. Their focal point is somewhere here. And isn't the focal length going to be a positive number? Isn't it going to be a positive number? Yes, that's the correct answer. Very good. This question came guys. Can you believe it? Wasn't the paper easy? I am so sure if you attended so many of my classes, so many minions, so many JEE enthusiasts have scored so well. I'm so sure because I'm just solving the entire paper in the office. We have come down to office. There is an entire team who is collecting questions. We are all solving it together for all of you. So let's do this guys. Guys, I'm telling you, if you have been following this channel regularly, you will get minimum 80 marks, minimum 70 to 80 marks for sure, guaranteed you are supposed to get, because the questions were so easy. 70 to 80 marks only in physics I am saying, not total. 70 to 80 only in physics you can score easily if you have been following this channel. Alright, let's go to the next one. And there it is. Yes, Karthika M, this question paper was really easy. Well. Yes, this is today's morning paper. That's what we are discussing based on memory. Now this was a slightly difficult one, but not so difficult. Also, if you use visualization, find the field at the center of the cube. That was the question. What was the field at the center of the cube? Now I'll tell you what, based on symmetry. Guys, have you watched my video? I gave you 7 to 8 tricks. This question was based on that trick. I gave you 7 to 8 tricks. One of the trick was symmetry. Always look for symmetry and things will be very simple. This was based on the symmetry trick which I have been telling you so often. Guys, that's what the thing is. If you follow me regularly, trust me, nobody can stop you from getting at least 70 to 80 marks. So here it goes. See guys, this charge and this charge at the center will cancel their fields. Do you see that? This charge and this charge are diagonally opposite. Their fields will be opposite. They will cancel. Correct. And then this charge and this charge will also cancel their fields, diagonally opposite. Alright. And this charge will also cancel their fields. Do you see that? Now, thank you Anande. Thank you so much. Thank you Rajendra Singh. Thank you so much. Yes. So think about it. These are the only two charges. This negative charge will apply a field here. This positive charge will also apply the same field here. So the total field, if each one of them applies even and even field, then understand guys, the total field will be E1 plus E1, because one is because of the negative charge, one is because of the positive charge. I hope this is clear. That's it. So now, thank you Chintu. Oh my God. Alright. So 2 times E1. Now what is E1 guys? The field due to any of these charges at the center. Okay, so that will be K times Q, alright, K times Q divided by the distance, whole square. Now what is the distance? So this distance is going to be the diagonal, all right, the diagonal length divided by 2, because the center of the cube from any one of the corners will be the length of the diagonal divided by 2. Correct, guys? I hope this is clear. Yes. So what is the length of a diagonal of a cuboid? Everybody knows, root 3 times of the side. Now what is the side length given? Side length is a, so root 3a divided by 2. So use this over here. So what are you going to get? 2kq divided by whole square of this, that will be 3a square by 4. So what is going to happen? This is going to be 8kq divided by 3a square. Check this out, 8kq divided by 3a square. That should be option B. Got it, guys? Got it? Yes. No, they will not cancel each other, Bhargav. Negative charge is here, positive charge is here. Negative will pull this way, positive will push this way. So both will add. Other charges which are positive, they will cancel out each other. Is it clear? Yes. Yes, Sanayan Mahata, you should definitely watch this, because these kind of questions are going to come. These are the level of questions which are going to come. This is definitely going to be like a revision. Yes, only positives will cancel. Thank you, Rajendra Singh. I hope you guys are loving my explanations. I hope you guys are loving me. I hope you guys are liking this channel. And if you are not yet liked the channel or subscribed to this channel, please do that now, because we are going to discuss all the shifts for you. Guys, I have left my home in the morning and I'm going to stay here till night 11 o'clock for discussing all the papers for you, and all this is for free. All this is for free only because of your love and your support. I am over here. So guys, show some love, show some support by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button, and also sharing this channel with your friends. Come on guys, I'm doing this all for you. That's it. Okay, so that was the answer, guys. All right, so 8q by 3a square, that was the answer. Now next question. Thank you Srisha, thank you Science Priya, thank you so much. Yes, Nivedita, I feel that the questions might be like this only tomorrow as well. Yes, Sports Life. Okay, now this is also such an easy question, guys. I'll tell you what, the two capacitors were in series, all right, and then the ratio of the equivalent capacitance in the two diagrams is. Isn't this so easy, guys? What is the equivalent capacitance in series? This is in series. Isn't it C by 2? Remember, I gave you one formula chart. If you minions have been attending my lectures, you know how to do this already. This is C by 2. And this one, isn't this in parallel? So won't it be 2C? C plus C is 2C. Here 1 by C plus 1 by C is C equivalent 1 by. Alright, so that's it. The ratio will be 1:4. Isn't it very clear? Isn't it very clear? Very good Dhanush. Yes, the cutoff will be very high. Very high. So that's it. That's the correct answer, guys. 1:4. That's the correct answer. Excelente. So, Kati, I will not be able to discuss shift 2 before the shift 2 paper, obviously. So, obviously, I'll be discussing it after 8 o'clock. So, guys, do not forget to come at 8 o'clock. If your paper is even tomorrow, day after tomorrow, these kind of questions will come, because the level of difficulty will be same. They'll just change the values or maybe some things here and there. So, do not forget to attend all of this. Next question. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Rajendra, definitely please oh, by the way, if you want to know more about me and if you want to get guidance under me, then please contact me on Shreyas. Contact me on Shreyas_Vedantu. That's my Instagram handle. This is on Insta. I respond to all your queries on Insta. If you want any kind of help, if you're depressed, if you're demotivated, if you feel that you need a friend, then guys, I am there for all of you. So this is my Instagram handle, official Instagram handle. I have been motivating, helping hundreds of students till date, and I'll continue doing so only because of your love and your support. All right, so let's do this. First of all, the question was on moment of inertia, right? The question was on moment of inertia. Guys, first for option A, ring about the diameter. This is a ring. Okay, this is a ring about the diameter. Well, that's simple. Draw another diameter and think about another axis like this. For a ring about this axis, isn't it mr square by 2? Is it, sorry, my bad. It's a ring, right? So it is just mr square. It is just mr square about the perpendicular axis, this axis. Now use perpendicular axis theorem. If this is I1, if this is also I1, then don't you see 2 times I1, or if you want more detail, I1 plus I1, two perpendicular axes will be equal to mr square, will be equal to mr square. So I1 will be equal to mr square by 2. Isn't this clear? Isn't this clear? That's it. Then disk about axis passing through the center. This is so easy. Normal formula. This is a disk about this axis. What is it? mr square by 2. That's it. And then for option C, solid cylinder about axis. Guys, solid cylinder about the axis. Won't it also be mr square by 2? And solid sphere for D option, won't it be just solid sphere? That is just nothing but 2 by 5 mr square. Now don't you see this and this are equal? So don't you see this option should be correct? Because all of them are more than 2 by 5. That's it. Yes. Yes. Acha, was it about the tangent? Alright Zainad, but I'm giving you the idea of this. Alright, I'm giving you the idea of this. Yes. Okay, well Shubham, no problem. I know you are from some different account, no problem, it's okay. So, even if it was tangent guys, then you can use parallel axis theorem. So, just add mr square then. If it was tangent, use parallel axis theorem and plus add mr square. Okay, clear? So, Gavanapuru Sahitya, I have made lots of tips and tricks for solving physics paper in this channel. Please go ahead and watch all those videos. If you have not yet seen all those videos, I know many of you are new out here. Let's go ahead with the next one. Okay, so option A was correct. Next one, question 7 guys, for you. Jadu Sai Krishna, I'm saying hi to everyone, don't worry. Yes. So Dekumal Singh, all the tricks are there in a video. Physics tips and tricks, 6 to 7 tricks to solve MCQ questions by guessing, and last minute pointers. All of them have been uploaded on this channel so that you can ace this examination along with formula revision. Everything is there on this channel. You just need to search it. That's it. What is the minimum force that needs to be applied, guys? Okay. So, first of all, if you are applying some force over here, there will be also a normal force like this. Won't there be a normal force like this? Now, think about it. There will be also a weight downwards. Alright, and also there will be a frictional force upwards. Okay, so that it should not slide. If it should be in equilibrium, then can I say this frictional force is mu into n? Correct guys, frictional force is mu into n when it is on the verge of sliding. So it is on the verge of sliding. Alright, now in x direction, can I say F is equal to normal force? The normal force is equal to the force that you are applying. And in the vertical direction, can I say the weight is equal to the frictional force? Therefore, mg is equal to mu times of n, but n is itself F. So it will be mu times of F. And the question is about the force, I guess. So the force will be mg by mu. Now substitute the values. Mass is 0.5, g is 10, and mu, what is the value of mu? It is 0.2 guys. Come on, what is the answer? Is it not obvious now? Come on, check this out. 0.5 into 10, 5 divided by 0.2. Yes, check this out guys. Did you get it? Very good, very good. Yes, that's the correct answer. To 25 Newton. Yes, very good. Excelente. Very good. Very good minions. Yes, Chetan, we will upload the entire PDF once we discuss all the questions. Don't worry, beta. And please join our Telegram group because we'll be uploading the PDF on the Telegram group first. Yes, very good. Let's do the next one. Very interesting question. A spring block system is oscillating on a smooth surface with some amplitude. If at mean position an identical block is kept on it so that they move together, then what is the new amplitude? Naveen, we have lots of lovely students who give us all the questions based on memory. So based on memory, we are solving all these questions. That's it. We have lovely students out here. All right. A lot of you have already started answering. Very good minions. Keep it up. I'll tell you what, very simple. When it is at the mean position, that velocity V1, all right, will be A omega. Correct? The velocity V1 will be A omega. What is this omega? And that amplitude is A. This omega is root of K by M. Now, when you add one more mass on it, think about it, identical, then the velocity will become half. Can't you see guys, the velocity will become half because the mass is doubled. So V1 by 2, since mass is doubled, since mass is doubled, to conserve the momentum, velocity will become half. Even the new omega will be different. It will be root of k by 2m, because two masses are moving. So you need to keep this in mind. So guys, now again using max speed is equal to amplitude multiplied by angular frequency. This is the formula of SHM, max speed. So think about it. This V2 is the new max speed. Amplitude I don't know, and angular frequency is omega 2. Now just substitute everything. V2 is V1 by 2. All right. So it is V1 by 2 is equal to A2 into omega. Omega 2. Omega 2 is root of k by 2m. Next step, A2 will be root of k by m, and I'll also put root 2 over here. V1 is A1 omega 1. So guys, won't that be equal to A root k by m, and you will have 2 over here. You can see so many things get cancelled. Root k by m will get cancelled, and therefore A2 will be equal to, check this out, root 2 by 2 is 1 by root 2. So it will be A divided by root 2. That's the answer. I hope this is clear. Yes, that's the answer. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. Yes, I hope this is clear. So max speed is amplitude into new angular frequency. The new max speed will be half. So this V2 is the new max speed. Keep this in mind, because mass has been doubled. And the original V1, we just told it is A into omega, and omega is this one. So that's all I have done. I hope this is clear. Yes, it was a very similar question. Very good, very good. I hope it is clear, Varshita N. I hope it is clear now. Okay, great. Let's do this. Let's go to the next one. Thank you guys for loving these explanations, and if you are loving it, please hit the like button. And if you face any kind of difficulty, please, you can leave a comment after the video. You can also ping me on Instagram, or you can also rewind the video a little bit and watch it slowly. It's up to you how you want to do it. Yes, let's do this. Next one. In the shown circuit, there is a battery of 4 volts, internal resistance 8 ohms, and potential difference between points X and Y is how much? All right. And I think there was some external resistance also, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I think there was some external resistance. Guys, do you remember the value of the external resistance in this particular question? Okay, I think there was some external resistance also. So the battery's EMF is jaldi. It's streaming already. Okay guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me loud and clear? I'm so sorry, there was a small glitch, technical glitch. There was some kind of a power cut. I'm so sorry, but I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Can you hear me loud and clear? Yes, I'm back. Don't worry guys, I'm not going back anywhere. I'm there for all of you. Don't worry guys. Yes, I'm there for all of you. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, so guys, let's solve this question. I had started the discussion of this question. The question was the battery's voltage is 4 volts. The internal resistance is 8 ohms. And I think the external resistance out here was 12 ohms. And the points marked over here were X and Y. So this was the complete diagram. And the question is, what is the voltage difference between the points X and Y? It's very simple guys. First figure out what this current is. So this current will be total voltage divided by the total resistance. Resistance is 8 plus 12, which is nothing but 20. So 4 divided by 20, which is nothing but 1 by 5 amperes. Next step, the voltage difference between X and Y is the current into that resistance. That current is 1 by 5, and that voltage, that resistance is just 12. So 12 divided by 5 guys, and that should be 2.4 volts. That's it. That is the answer. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, Dhruv. Very good. Hello, Priyanka Sakti. Welcome, welcome. Acha, so Lenovo is saying there were 2 batteries connected opposite. So maybe the net voltage was 4 volts. I'm guessing the net voltage was, yeah, probably 4 volts. All right. So let's get going. So the idea is the same, guys. Don't get confused. The idea is the same. All right. Let's get going to the next one. Please understand. Yes, 2.4 volts. The idea is the same. Please understand these questions are based on completely memory. Thanks to our loving students who have given us all these kind of questions. So how does the energy of a photon change corresponding to the wavelength change? So if the wavelength changes, how does the photon's energy change? This was the question, I believe. Yes, I believe this was the question. Yes. So guys, isn't it very simple? I feel it's directly formula based. What is the energy of a photon? HF. And what is F? Come on, C by lambda. So if the wavelength increases, the energy will decrease. Isn't this obvious? So the correct answer will be decrease. That's it. That's it. Excellent. Guys, these kind of questions have actually come. Come on, let's do this. And so many of you are complaining when I was discussing mock test, sir, really the JEE Mains questions are this easy? What did I tell you? Just hold on. Around 70% questions will be easy. Hardly 5-10% will be difficult. I feel the cutoff is going to go really high. Next question. Find the current at time is equal to 3 seconds if the change as a function of time is given by this. Sorry, the charge, I think it's not change. All right, so it's going to be charge. So read this as charge. The charge as a function of time is given by this. So if the charge is 3t square plus 2t plus 1, then the current is derivative of q with respect to time. So guys, the derivative of this will be 6t plus 2 plus 0. But the question is, find it at 3 seconds. Find it at 3 seconds. So put the value of time as 3. So 6 into 3 plus 2, which is 18 plus 2, which is 20 amperes. So 20 amperes, there it is. Very good, very good. So these were the kind of questions which have come, guys. Now I am going to solve some more questions and I am going to come back. I have just collected few more questions. I just got the notification from our content team that there are more questions which have been collected. I'll be pasting those questions out here. I'll be solving it. Meanwhile, Shimon Sir will be coming live now. So yes, Shimon Sir will be coming live. He will be discussing few questions. Again, I'll be back in some time and we are also going to discuss chemistry paper as well. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. In the same stream, in the same video, we are going to discuss everything. Yes, so this is an English channel. We are going to make sure that the discussions happen in English for all the English medium students out here. So yes, stay tuned. I'm going to come back again. Now Shimon Sir will be coming live. Come on, let's get going. And I hope you have already hit the like button. So I'll see you in some time.
Okay. Oh, so guys, I'm sorry. I thought it was not yet started. So please give me some time. I want to get ready. I'll just close my door 1 second. I was in a hurry that I didn't even close my door 1 second. Yeah. So guys, yeah, let's get started. Yeah. I know you guys don't have time, so I'll be fast. So guys, we'll be continuing with the discussion. How many of you had a good exam? Is the paper easy? Is the paper hard? I don't know. We will see in a while. So I have few questions from mathematics here. I'm going to solve them for you. I hope you had a great time with Shreyas Sir. So please let me know in the chat, guys. Did it go well? Didn't I say the paper would be easy? JEE Mains is not that difficult. Okay. So some of the questions were easy. Of course, there were some good questions. So let's get started. So this is a question paper for 24th first shift. So let us go ahead. So guys, for those who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Shimon Joseph. and I am a math teacher here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years. So this is my background. I did my BTech from IIT Madras, and after that I got into teaching. In case you want to know more about me, then please do connect with me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID. You can message me. I know some of you didn't have a great day. Some of you, the exam might have gone down. Don't worry guys, you still have 3 attempts. That is the beauty of this particular year. So let me know if you want to talk to me. You can always reach out to me here in Instagram. Okay, so with that, let us not waste time. We will get started. In case you are new to this channel guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's very important you subscribe because this journey is not going to end here. We are going to be continuously together until the very end, until your May attempt. Okay, so please stay with us. Let's have a great time and we will try to have some great discussions together. Okay, and do like the video in case you enjoy the session. We have come up with so quick responses thanks to our wonderful students, wonderful students from all over the country. So people were so nice to send us the questions and we have solved them for you. Yes, I will reduce the brightness because I want you guys to have a great time. It doesn't matter if my face is dark, but you have to get the concepts right. So shall we get started people? Yes, let us go. Are you all ready? Now the brightness is fine. Is the video correct? Everything ready? So shall we go and conquer it? Shall we go and conquer it? Can I see some yo? Can I see some yes in the chat? I want some energy. Because guys, this is incredibly fast. You wrote the exam at 12:30. Before you reached your house, we are here with the discussion. Thanks to our lovely team at Vedantu who worked from the morning to make this happen. Only Vedantu takes responsibility for each and every kid and we are proving it yet again. So let's have a great time guys. The very first question which I got from my students, it may not be in order, so please try to have a look at it guys. So we have a dice which is rolled n times. So you're rolling the dice n times. Do you know what is n? No, I don't know what is n. But the probability of getting odd number of 2s. Odd number of 2s means what? Odd number 2 is equal to the probability of getting even number 3 times. Okay, so we need to get odd number 2 times. So how many odd numbers are there in a dice? 1, 3 and 5. How many even numbers are there? 2, 4 and 6. What is the probability of getting an odd number? Probability of getting an odd number is half. Probability of getting an even number is also half. So I want to check what is the probability of getting odd number 2 times. So I need to get 2 times. I need to get 2 times odd numbers. So out of n times, I need to get 2 times odd numbers and I need to get even number the remaining time. So that is gonna be your Bernoulli's trials. Your Bernoulli's trials. So now that is equal to what? That is equal to the probability of getting even number 3 times. So out of n options, I need to get 3 times even numbers. So NC3, I will get even number 3 times and I will get odd number the remaining number of times. So I will cancel out these 2. So what will I be left out with? I will be left out with NC2 is equal to NC3. When will that happen my dear? When will that happen my dear? NC2 is equal to NC3. When will that happen? That will happen when your n is 5. NC2 equal to NC3 means your n is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Now what do you want to find? You want to find probability of getting odd number of times. So odd number of times. That means 1 time or 3 times or 5 times. So I need to get odd number of times. Okay. So 5C1 into half to the power 1 into half to the power 4 plus 5C3 into half to the power 3 half to the power 2 plus 5C5 into half to the power 5. So if I add all of it up, what do I get my dear? I will get 5 plus 10 plus 1 divided by 32, which will be equal to 1 by 2. That is my answer. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Everybody? Fantastic job guys. So that is how we do it. I hope you're all clear. I hope you can see the question. How many of you enjoyed the question? Was it a doable one? Was it a doable one? Everybody, fantastic job guys. Very, very good. So this is the way you do it. All those who want to redo it again, please pull the video back and then try to solve it again. So this is the way you solve it. I hope you got it. Now let us move forward to the very next question that I have for you. Okay. Ashwin, Somanad, please do check it. Try to pull the video back and go through it again. You will be able to understand. I'm sure you guys are smart. Now next one. So we had a heights and distances question. Okay, we had a heights and distance question. What do we have? We have two people which are standing at the midpoint of the two poles. So there are two poles, not people guys. There are two poles. So the one pole is going to be 3 times the height of other. So that we'll say this pole is h and this pole is 3h. So that is the height and they are separated by 150 meters. Is that correct? Now at the middle point there is a man. So at the middle point, there is a man who is looking at this at an elevation of alpha and who is looking at this at an elevation of 90 minus alpha. Why? Because the angle of elevation are complementary. Complementary means they add up to 90. Complementary means they add up to 90. Okay. So here, can I say if it is 150, this will be 75, this will be 75. So what will be tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to h by 75. And what is your tan of 90 minus alpha? Tan of 90 minus alpha, my dear, is equal to 3h by 75. Now, can I say this is cot alpha? So this is tan alpha, this is cot alpha. So if I multiply both tan alpha, cot alpha, I will get 1. So if I multiply tan alpha into cot alpha, I will get 1, which is h by 75 into 3h by 75. So I will get 75 square by 3 is equal to h square. So what is h? H is equal to 75 by root 3. So h is equal to 25 root 3, my dear. That is the answer. I hope you guys got it. Did you all like it? So Sujata, the website does not have it. We got it from our students. Okay. So we got it. We made an effort because we wanted to help you. And your friends, your Enthuse family, your Vedantu family was good enough to share the questions. Your friends shared the questions to all of us. And that is why we are here to help you. Isn't that amazing? So I hope you guys realize that and you continue to do the same. Help your friends out so that they can also do better. Got it? So your friends have shared it and we got it from them. Okay. No website has released it. Nobody has published it online. It is from Vedantu's effort. It is from your dear friends, our dear students. Okay. So shall we move forward? I hope you guys liked it. Now let us move forward. This was an easy question because it is from heights and distances. And can we go to the next one? Yes, let us go ahead. What is the next question? So this is the next question. Very easy. This was probably a big laddu. It was a big laddu and I am doubtful whether this question came because it was very easy for me. I felt it was very easy in my opinion. So how do we do it? How is tan x into cot x 1? Shri, 9th and 10th standard. Tan x is equal to 1 by cot x, right? So they are reciprocals of each other. So that is why the product is equal to 1. Okay. So this was a very, very simple question. So I don't know whether it came or not. But this is a 1 second question because A7 is equal to AR power 6. A5 is nothing but AR power 4. So you will get R square is equal to 25. So same way you will get here also AR to the power 9 by AR to the power 7 which is equal to R square which will also be 25. So it was a 1 second question or maybe 10-second question. So many of them are saying that it did not come. Okay guys, perfect. So looks like this question did not come as I expected because it was very simple. I expected that. So let us move forward to the next question which is over here. Did this question come? Did this question come? Everybody? So let us try to solve this question. So this is a question based on your inverse trigonometric function and it was based on your method of differences. So guys, let's try to solve the inside part. The inside part is what? Sigma tan inverse of the numerator 1, I will write it as r plus 1 minus r. Is that okay? 1 is equal to r plus 1 minus r. Okay, and denominator, I will write it as 1 plus, I will take r common from here. So it will be r into r plus 1. So guys, can you see something beautiful happening here? So can I write this as tan inverse of r plus 1 minus tan inverse of r? So that is how you solve it, my dear. I hope you guys are clear with this. So it will be tan inverse of r plus 1 minus tan inverse of r. Are you all cool with it? So when I open it, r is equal to 1 and r goes up to n. And that is your summation. And I need to sum it up when n tends to infinity. So it will be tan inverse of 2 minus tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of 3 minus tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of 4 minus tan inverse of 3, and it goes all the way up to tan inverse of infinity. Okay, so what I'll do is I will cancel this, I'll cancel this, I'll cancel this, I'll cancel this, I'll cancel this, and it keeps going. Only this term will be left out and the next term will get cancelled. Okay, so what will be left out? I'll be left out with tan inverse of infinity. The answer will be tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of 1. So that will be pi by 2 minus pi by 4. So that will be pi by 4. So outside we have a tan, don't forget that. So it is answer is tan of pi by 4. So tan of pi by 4 is equal to 1. So 1 is my answer. I hope you guys liked it. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Is everybody cool with it? Guys, video is poor. Is everybody having trouble with video? Guys, can you please check your video settings? Can you make it high quality? Okay, please make it high quality. You make it high quality, okay? So some of you are having clear video. Guys, it depends on your internet, because I think my side internet is very good. I can see that on the screen. My internet is actually pretty good, so I don't think it is from my side. Please check your side, okay? Okay guys, so let us move forward. I hope you guys are clear. Let us move forward to the next one. Velu Murugan is saying it is dark. Okay, let me just increase the brightness a little bit, because if I make it too bright, then you will say it is too bright. So I will have to maintain it at optimum. So this is the optimum. So here we go. This is the next question based on vectors. Okay. So guys, this is the next question which is based on your vectors. Let us try to solve it. Everybody please try to work along with me. Okay. So what do we have over here? We have A, B, C to be three vectors which are coplanar. So we have A to be this, B to be this. So can I say C vector is equal to lambda times A vector plus mu times B vector? Can I say this? Because they are coplanar. Whenever three vectors are coplanar, you can do it like this. Are you all clear? Whenever three vectors are coplanar, you can express one vector as a linear combination of two vectors. Very important property, very crucial. Whenever three vectors are coplanar, you can write one of them as a linear combination of two. Okay, so what do? I will write C vector as lambda times minus I cap plus J cap plus K cap, and you will have plus mu times of I cap, 2I cap plus K cap. So when I do that, what will I get? I will get C vector is equal to, I will get 2 mu minus lambda times I, and then I will have plus lambda times J, and then I will have plus mu plus lambda times K. Is that clear to everybody? Is that clear to everybody? Yes? Now what do I know? I know that my B vector is perpendicular to C vector. So can I say B dot C is 0? So if I do B dot C, what will I get? So this is my C vector. Let's remove all this. This is my C vector. B dot C will be what? 2 into this. So I'll have 4 mu minus 2 lambda plus 1 into mu plus lambda. So that will be 0. So that is one linear equation. Okay. So I got one linear equation. Now the next thing is what? A dot C is equal to 7. So A dot C minus 1 into this. So I'll have minus 2 mu plus lambda plus 1 into this. So plus lambda plus 1 into this. So you'll have plus mu plus lambda is equal to 7. So I have two linear equations. Can you guys get me what is lambda and mu? Can you guys get me what is lambda and what is mu? Please do that, everybody. Can you guys get me what is lambda and mu? People, try to solve it. So with that, you will be able to get the answer. Are you all fine with that? Yes? Fantastic job. Very, very good, guys. Yes, we will do all the 3 subjects. Please wait for it. Right now, math is going on. After math, you will see chemistry, sir, coming up. Okay. Yes, Bharani, we just started the discussion. Try to catch up from here. Come on, guys. I was asking you what is the value of lambda and what is the value of mu. Please do it. Everybody. Yes, KK, yes. Of course, man. You will get. Okay. So, guys, let's try to solve it. Looks like nobody is interested to do it. So, we will do it ourselves. So, lambda is equal to 5 mu. So, if I get lambda is equal to 5 mu, I'll get 3 lambda here. 3 lambda will be what? 15 mu. And you will have what? 15 mu minus mu, right? So, that is equal to 7. So, I'll get mu is equal to 1 by 2 and lambda is equal to 5 by 2. So, if you do that, you will get the value of C. Yeah, you will get the value of C. Now, if you get the value of C, you can get this very easily because you can add all of them very easily. Yeah, very simple, right? I hope you guys liked it. It was not a very tough question. So, can you take it forward from here? Everybody? Yes, I will tell you what is the answer. I think the answer should be, one second. I'll tell you what is the exact answer in just a second. Okay, let me check it. Okay, so let us go forward. Okay, the answer I think is 75. Vatsalya is right, Harsh is right, Vatsalya is right, 75 is the answer. Okay, so guys, 75 should be the answer. I hope you guys got it. So I'm going to stop it there and move forward to the next one. Okay, so shall we all go? Let us go for the next question. I hope you're all ready. Fantastic, guys. 75 is right. If you got 75, you are correct. Now, this is the next question. It was again a very nice, interesting question. So, let us try to solve it. Now, what did they say? The diameter of this circle is a chord of the second circle. Then, you need to find the radius of the second circle. Okay. So, let us try to understand it. And guys, this was also a very simple question. Okay. So, we have a circle and we have the diameter of it. Diameter passes through the center, which is 1, 3. I hope you got that. So the center is 1, 3. And now this is a chord for another circle. Okay, for another circle, this is just a chord. And that circle center is 2, 1. We need to find the radius. So I will connect these 2 points and I will drop a perpendicular. So this will be perpendicular. Are you all clear? So now, what is the radius of this circle? The radius of the given circle is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So the radius of the given circle is equal to 2. So this will be 2 and this will be what? This distance between the centers 2, 1 and 1, 3 will be what? D is equal to root of 2 minus 1 the whole square plus 1 minus 3 the whole square. So it is nothing but root 5. So this distance is equal to root 5. So what will be the radius of our circle? The radius of our circle is equal to square root of d square plus 2 square. So it will be root of 5 plus 4, which will be 3. So the answer is 3, my dear. Okay. The answer is 3. Did you all like it? Everybody, did you all enjoy these questions? This was an easy one. Did you all understand it? If you want to ask me anything, please feel free to ask so that we can move forward. Everybody clear? Fantastic job, people. So let us move forward to the next one. Exactly. So that is why when I solved the mock test paper, many of you are asking, sir, you are taking very easy questions, sir. Guys, because that is the level of JEE Mains. Okay. So I hope you got it. Now you must be very energized. You must be very confident because you can also crack it. You, my dear, can also do it. Arka, don't feel bad. I know some of you had a bad day today. Don't worry because you have an attempt. You have 3 attempts more. So stick with us. We will help you. Listen to whatever we say carefully and put it to use. Don't judge anybody. Don't try to come to conclusion. Okay. Everybody is putting hard work and we are working day and night so as to bring best content for you guys. So try to note that. Try to put your effort and I'm sure together we can crack it. You have to believe in us and you have to give us that trust. And we will deliver on it. Okay. So now let's come back to this question. This is a slightly moderate question. And however, if you have attended my classes, you should have done this. Okay. I will tell you why. Because guys, sine 2x, can I say sine 2x, my dear, is equal to 2 sine x cos x? Now what I'm going to do is I will add 1 and I will subtract 1. So can I say this 1, can I write it as sine square x plus cos square x? Can I write plus 2 sine x cos x? And then can I write minus 1? So can I say, my dear, it is equal to sine x plus cos x the whole square minus 1? Is that right, everybody? So sine 2x can be written like this. So I will write the denominator like this and I will take this sine x plus cos x as t. So if I take sine x plus cos x as t, what will I get? I will get derivative of this is what? Cos x minus sine x dx. Wonderful, because this is there in the numerator. Cos x minus sine x dx is there in the numerator. So that will become dt. So that will become dt divided by, what will you get? 8 root of 8 minus, what is sine 2x? Sine 2x is nothing but t square minus 1. So it will be t square minus 1. So look at how easy it became. Look at how easy it became. Did you all love it? Did you all love it? Fantastic, right? So let me erase all this. Now let's have a look at what we have over here. So we have integral of dt divided by root of 9 minus t square. So which can be written as integral dt divided by root of 3 square minus t square. So that is what? Integral 1 by a square minus x square root is going to be sine inverse of x by a. So sine inverse of t by 3 plus c. So the answer is 1 into sine inverse of, what is t? T is sine x plus cos x divided by 3 plus c. So what is your a? Your a is 1. Your a is 1. What is your b? Your b is 3. So the answer is 1 comma 3 and that is how you solve it. Did you all like it? Did you all enjoy it? Fantastic, na? Very good Ojasvi, very good Somanad, very good Somanad, brilliant. Abhishek, Shirisha, Abhishek, very good. Fantastic job, guys. You are all amazing. Exactly. Hello, Malavika. I am doing great, Malavika. Thank you for asking. Okay, so let us move forward to the next one. So this is the next question, and again a fantastic question, and this is probably what? Can you guys tell me? What is this? This is probably 2 besan ka laddu served on a plate. Okay. So because it was very easy, guys. This was besan ka laddu. Okay. So it is a big laddu given to you to eat. Okay. Because it was very bad. It was a very easy question. I'll tell you why. So a man is on a straight line whose arithmetic mean of reciprocal of intercepts. That means what? Your arithmetic mean of reciprocal of intercepts. That means reciprocal of intercept means 1 by a plus 1 by b by 2. Arithmetic mean is equal to 1 by 4. So can I say 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1 by 2 if I cross multiply 2? Is that okay? Yes, everybody. So can I say 2 by a plus 2 by b is equal to 1? Can I say that? Everybody clear with this? Now there are 3 marbles which are at 1, 1, 2, 2 and 4, 4. We want to find which of the marbles will lie on this straight line. So what is the equation of straight line? When the intercepts are given, the straight line equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So can you see from here 2, 2 will satisfy this equation? So only b will lie on the path. So answer is option B. I hope you guys liked it. Okay, did you all enjoy this question? Everybody? So that is the way you do it, my dear. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed this one. Malavika, no Malavika, I am from Chennai. I am a Tamilian. Yeah. Okay, very good Avika. Fantastic job, guys. Keep it up. You guys are killing it. You guys are killing it because you are all smart and you guys are going to do very well in the upcoming exams. So have that confidence, develop that spirit, and I'm sure you realize by now that Vedantu is here to help you out. Okay, so let us move forward to the next question, which is right on your screen. And this is a question which my dear student Shakti shared me this question. So I hope you guys got this one. So let us try to solve it. So we want to have 6 Indians and 8 foreigners are there. We want to form a committee in such a way that the number of Indians should at least be 2. So Indians can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the other condition? The foreigners should be double the Indians. So foreigners should be how much? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now we have only 8 foreigners. Can we have 10 and 12? Of course no. So the last 2 cases are not possible. The last 2 cases are not possible. So I will remove this. Okay. So only these 3 cases are possible. That's it. Laddu max. Laddu max. Yes, 1625 is the answer. So 6C2 into 8C4 plus 6C3 into 8C6 plus 6C4 into 8C8. My dear, that's it. So the answer is 1625. That is the correct answer. Very good people. You guys are fantastic. Okay. Exactly. Very good, Vishnu. Absolutely, Vishnu. I would love to know that. I would love to help you guys and make sure you do well. Very good, Shakti. That is fantastic. So can we move forward, everybody? Shall we all go to the next one? Okay, great, Bharani. That is a confidence. So let us move forward, guys, to the next question, which is right over here. So this is based on your application of derivatives. So what is your application of derivative? Let's try to solve this question and try to conquer it together. Guys, are you all excited? Did you all like it till here? Everybody, are you all enjoying these sessions? Fantastic, na? So in case you guys want to know more, if you want to reach out to us, do let me know. In case you want help, I would love to advise you. I would love to guide you guys. You can always reach out to me on Instagram. You can always reach out to me on my courses in Vedantu. I will be your personal guide until your May attempt. Okay? So guys, in case you feel down, I know some of you wrote the exam today and some of you are feeling, sir, I didn't do well, sir. Your paper discussion is making me feel bad. Guys, if I did that, please talk to me. I will help you out because I know I was also a student once and I also had the same feeling. Okay? Sometimes it doesn't go our way. And that time I will definitely be there for you. So let's try to solve it. Okay, so the answer is option A. I will do it for you. So increasing, decreasing means what you should do. I told you in the formula revision session. In the formula revision session, I told you, you have to get the derivative of f of x. So when I get the derivative of f of x, what did I get? I will get 12x square by 6, which will be 2x square, minus 6x by 6, which will be x, minus 2 derivative of sin x is cos x. Then you will have plus 2x minus 1 into cos x. So it will be 2 into cos x plus 2x minus 1 times of derivative of cos x, which is minus sin x. So when I cancel out everything, what will I get? I will get f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 1. I can take it common. So I'll have 2x minus 1 into x minus sin x. Is that correct, my dear? Is that correct? Did you all understand the expression? Did you all understand the expression which I have obtained for my f dash of x? Everybody clear with this? Yes? Fantastic, people. If you are all clear with this, then I will tell you how to solve it from here. Okay? I will tell you how to solve it from here. So please listen carefully. So your f dash of x, my dear students, is equal to 2x minus 1 times of x minus sin x. Now, where does this change sign? This changes sign at 0, turning point. Turning point for this is 0, turning point for this is half. So let us draw the number line. So we have 0 and half as the critical points. So to the right side of half, let's say 1. So if I put 1, 2 into 1 minus 1 is 1, positive. If I put 1 here, 1 minus sine 1 is also positive. So here it is positive. Between 0 to half it will be negative. Again, to the left side of 0 it will be positive. So where is your f dash of x positive? It is increasing and half to infinity. So that is why this is correct. Okay? Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Death boy, please rewind the video and watch it. Guys, whenever you want me to repeat, please rewind it. It won't be fair to others because everybody is preparing and time is of essence. Okay, so please rewind the video and try to watch it. and guys, yes, எனக்கு தமிழ் நல்லா தெரியும். Okay, so I am from Chennai only. ஆனா நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க, so I have to speak in English. Okay, so this is an English channel. Let's not go into regionalism. Okay, but I do know Tamil. I can speak very well. ரொம்ப நல்லாவே பேசுவேன். Okay, so let us move forward. Okay, this is the next question. Everybody, did you all solve this? How many of you have got this question? So this was again a very nice question based on quadratic equation, and it is quite simple. You guys should just be systematic. So we want to find out the quadratic equation whose roots are p and q. Okay, so we want to find out the quadratic equation whose roots are p and q. So that is nothing but x square minus p plus qx plus pq. Do you all get that? So that is the quadratic equation which I have to find. That is the quadratic equation which I have to find. Are you all clear? Now I know this is 2. So the answer is x square minus 2x plus pq. So all I need to do is find pq. So guys, but everything has x square minus 2x. So this time we can't eliminate options. No luck. We can't eliminate options. So how do we do it? Let's try to solve it, guys. First of all, I will square this. I'll get p square plus q square plus 2pq is equal to 2 square, which is 4. So now I'll do p square plus q square is equal to 4 minus 2pq whole square. So when I whole square it, what will I get? I will get again p power 4 plus q power 4 plus 2p square q square is equal to 16 plus 4p square q square minus 16pq. So guys, what I'll do is I'll take pq as some t. So I'll get, this is what? 272. So I'll get 272 plus, this is 2t square minus 2t square. So I will get minus 2t square. 2t square minus of 4t square, it will be minus 2t square is equal to 16 minus 16t. So now I can solve it by simplifying it. I'll get a very nice answer. So you can do it. You'll get 2t square minus 16t minus 256 is equal to 0. So I'll get t square minus 8t minus 128 is equal to 0. So 8. So if I have to solve this, what will I get? So I'll get t minus 16 into t plus 8 is equal to 0. What is t? T is equal to 16 or minus 8. So t is nothing but pq. So pq is equal to 16 or minus 8. So the answer is x square minus 2x minus 8 or x square minus 2x plus 16. So this is the answer. Okay, are you all clear? Everybody? No Manjunath, here we cannot. Because you don't know whether they are both real numbers, you don't know whether they are positive numbers. Then how can you use AMGM inequality? Of course no. You cannot use it over here. Okay? Yes, infinity makes sense. It is the same paper. Entire India will write the same paper. Only the order of questions will be different. Jaddu Shai Krishna, welcome man. Okay? Definitely. Okay people, so with that we will move forward to the next question. Tangam Shweta, now I didn't say x minus sin x is 0. I said x minus sin x will change sign at 0. X minus sin x will have a turning point at 0. That is what I told. I hope you understood it. Did you understand it? Tangam Shweta. Okay, Sumant Gaud, welcome man. Guys, lot of people are here. I cannot respond to everybody's chat. So please understand that and let us keep going forward. So this was a question. Some people say this did not come. Some people say this came. So I don't know whether it came or not. Guys, did anybody get it? Did anybody get it? Anyone? I hope nobody has got this paper, this question, right? Okay, exactly. So some people have got it, some people have not got it. So I am not sure. Anyway, I'll solve it for you. So what I'll do is I will divide by x square on both sides. So if I divide by x square, this is what? This is an exact differential. What is it? Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator whole square. So that is nothing but the quotient rule. So it will be d of y by x. So that is equal to, what is this? It will be 1x, I can take it inside. So it will be root of 1 plus y by x the whole square by x dx. So I will have dy by x divided by square root of 1 plus y by x the whole square is equal to, I will have 1 by x dx. Is that clear? And guys, we know the derivation for this, right? You know what is 1 by a square plus x square formula. So apply 1 by a square plus x square formula and then try to get your answer. Your right hand side is very simple. Your right hand side is nothing but ln of x plus c, and your left hand side you'll have to use 1 by a square plus x square formula. Okay, so I think that is equal to ln of x plus root of a square plus x square. Is that correct? Yeah? Is that correct? I hope that is correct. Please do check it and then solve it. Okay, if that is correct, then finish it off. Everybody clear? Jaddu Sai Krishna, the PDF will be shared once the entire session is over. So till then you will have to wait for it. Otherwise, you can probably come and check it out later. So shall I move forward, everybody? So shall we go to the next one? Okay, everybody clear with this? Did you all like it? Fantastic, na? Yes, miscellaneous hacker, I will come to that. I have brought almost every question. Whatever I have received, I'm going to discuss it. Polipalli Uma Venkata Lakshmi, you have to rewind it and then check it. Yes, absolutely Ayushi. We are all discussing the same set of questions in English as well as in Hindi. So whichever you feel comfortable, you can attend it in either of the channels. Okay? So guys, how many of you are here? Can you all let me know with a yo or yes? Did you enjoy it till here? How many of you? Yes guys, of course the paper tomorrow will be similar to this. Of course it has to be similar. Otherwise, the government will receive a lot of backlash, right? So I want you to tell me a yes or a yo. How many of you are here? How many of you are live? Please do let your friends know. I want people to come here, be a part of these discussions, because guys, it is for you guys. We have tried to bring this in half an hour. By the time you finished your exam and reached your house, we are ready with the discussion. Isn't that amazing? So guys, you have to thank your friends. You have to thank the Vedantu's team, which has put immense effort to bring this live to you. That is an incredible feat. Try to be there, try to be serious, and we will do that in night also. Okay, so let's continue. What do we have here? We have f of g of x. So I want to check if f of g of x, my dear students, if it is an one-to-one function or is it onto function. So let's try to first figure out what is f of g of x. F of g of x will be 2 times of g of x minus 1. So that is my f of g of x. This is what we call as composition of function. Okay, this is what we call as composition of function. No, it will not be tan inverse. Who is that? Tan inverse is a different formula. MOFU. Okay. MOFU, someone asked me that doubt. This is only tan inverse of x. But we had a root, na? So it is not tan inverse. That is why I used a different formula. I hope you got it. So now, what is g of x? G of x is nothing but 2 times of x minus 1 by 2 divided by x minus 1 minus 1. So that is your f of g of x. So what is my f of g of x? My f of g of x, my dear students, is nothing but x minus 1 divided by, 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1. So that will be equal to what? X by x minus 1. Did you all get that? Did you all get that? Everybody, laddu till here. But now I have to check whether it is one-to-one or onto. Yes, Somoju Anand, it is from today's shift. Today All India exam, your friends from Vedantu, your Vedantu students, your Vedantu's family has got this question for you so that you can do better tomorrow. Okay, everybody clear with this? Everybody? So now let us try to finish it off. So what do I have? I have my function f of g of x to be what? To be x by x minus 1. So how do you check whether it is one-to-one or onto? So one-to-one you check by putting f of g of x1 and you check f of g of x2. So if both are equal, then what will it be? x1 by x1 minus 1 is equal to x2 by x2 minus 1. So if I cross multiply, I'll get x1 x2 minus x1 is equal to x1 x2 minus x2. So I will get x1 is equal to x2 as the only possibility. So it is a one-to-one function. So pakka it is one-to-one. So these two options are wrong. So in an exam, if you did this, you could have eliminated 2 options. Okay. Now I want to figure out whether my function is onto or not. how do you find out whether it is onto or not? So guys, what is this? This was given to be a function from R to R. Okay, so we have a function f of g from R to R. So now I want to check whether this f of g can take all real values. Now guys, if you plot the graph of it, how will the graph look like? So for the graph, what I'll do is I will subtract 1 and I'll add 1. So it will be 1 plus 1 by x minus 1. So can this take the value? Can this take the value? So guys, is it from R to R? I think G is from R to R. Okay. So even G is not R to R. I think it is wrong. Your domain and range should be different. So here your G will be from R minus 1, I think. That's your domain. And the range was given to be something, your codomain. And f of g will not have 1, guys. Okay, that is what I want to say. Now, can I have f of g of x taking the value 1? That I want to know. Can f of g of x be equal to 1? Can it be equal to 1? No, because if it is equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 should be 1. So 1 and 1 cancel. Can 1 by x minus 1 be equal to 0? Never. It is never 0. Therefore, 1 is not taken. F of g of x does not take the value 1. Therefore, it is not onto. So that is the condition, and hence option B is correct. Guys, I am not too sure about the codomain. So whenever you want to predict whether it is onto or not, you need to know the codomain. So I am guessing the codomain is all real numbers. I am guessing the codomain is all real numbers. Because if it is all real numbers, it will not take the value 1. Okay, so it depends on codomain. Please be very, very clear with this. Okay, so let us move forward, guys. Let us go to the next question, which is over here. This was a fantastic question. This was a fantastic question. So let us try to solve it. How do you solve this question? First of all, let us say your m is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and then you have A31, A32, and A33. So I want to multiply this with your M transpose. M transpose will be what? A11, A12, A13, and then you have A21, A22, A23, and then you have A31, A32, A33. This is a very, very good question, guys. It is not an easy one. This is not an easy question. This is not an easy question. I would say it is moderate. Okay. They gave 2 cross 2 matrix, is it? Oh, 2 cross 2 is much easier, man. So it is very simple. Okay, 2 cross 2 is much easier. So 3 cross 3 will be a more difficult one. So I will tell you how to do this. So when you take M transpose M, so the diagonal elements, Satvik, the diagonal elements will be what? It will be A11 square plus A12 square plus A13 square. Now this diagonal element will be A21 square plus A22 square plus A23 square. And the last diagonal will be A31 square plus A32 square plus A33 square. So these are your diagonal elements. Why I am seeing only the diagonal elements? Because they asked sum of diagonal elements. Okay, so what is the sum of diagonal elements? Can I say sum of diagonal elements is the sum of all these elements, which are nothing but sum of all the elements here, sum of all the square of elements over here. Is that correct? Fantastic, na? Fantastic, right? So your M transpose M will have sum of all the diagonals is equal to sum of the squares of every individual term present in M. Are you all clear? Very good. So that's it. Okay. Y square. Again, you are multiplying, na? M transpose into M. So it will be A11 into, okay, it will be A11 square plus A21 square, guys. Okay. So maybe I'll correct it. It is A21 square. Because first into first, second element into second element here, third element into third element here. So it will be plus A31 square. Similarly, for this diagonal element, it will be A21 square plus A12 square. I'm sorry, one second, guys. Second one will be what? A21 into A12, right? Okay, so it will be A12 square plus A22 square plus A32 square. So that will be it. and next will be A13 square plus A23 square plus A33 square. That's it, done. So anyway, it will be the same. So I hope you understood it. You will get it when you open the product M transpose into M. Okay, so now that I have M transpose into M, the sum of the squares is what I want. So sum of diagonal elements is sigma AI square. So that is equal to 7. So how can the sum of the squares when the numbers are 0, 1, 2 be equal to 7? When all 7 of them are 1s and 2 of them are zeros. Or I can have 1, 2, 1 2s and then I have 3 1s and the rest 0. Rest 5 are zeros. Did you guys get that? Because 7 1 squares is what? 1 square plus 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 1 square is equal to 7. And here we'll have 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus all zeros is equal to 7. So these are the two possibilities by which we can get the sigma of AI squares to be 7. So if the sigma of AI squares is equal to 7, then these are the two ways in which it can happen. So I need to have out of 9 elements 7 to be 1. Okay, so 9C7 into 1s into the remaining 2C2 should be zeros. So this is one possibility. Or the other possibility is I'll have 1, 2, 3 1s, isn't it? Are you guys getting it? So first I'll fix the 1s. So 9C3 to fix the 1s, and I will have remaining 6 places. I'll keep the 2s, 6C1, and then what will I do? I'll arrange the 5C zeros, which is one way only. So this is your answer. Sum it up. I think the answer should be 540. Okay, the answer should be 540. Did you all like it? Did you all like it, everybody? Abhishek, it was given as a 3 cross 3 matrix or 2 cross 2. Some people are saying 2 cross 2. Some people are saying 3 cross 3. So I'm not sure. I've solved it for 3 cross 3 because 3 cross 3 is a bit difficult. 2 cross 2 is even easier. Okay, I took the difficult one so that you guys will not find it hard. Okay, everybody clear with this? Did you all like it? How many of you enjoyed this question? Sai Mandeep. So I want 7 1s to be there in these elements. So there are 9 elements. So out of these 9 elements, I choose 7 of them and I put 1s there. And I choose the remaining 2 and I put zeros there. So that is what I've done. Okay. Are you all clear? Can you all give me a thumbs up or a yo? Quickly. Everybody, all those who are live, I want everybody to let me know how you guys have understood it. Very good, very good. Thank you guys. I'm so happy that you're all following it. Vishnuvardhan. Yes, Vishnuvardhan. Okay, fantastic guys, fantastic. Ashwin Shiva is enjoying the session, I guess. Very good, Ashwin. Very good. That is awesome. So with that, let us move forward to the next question. Okay. So here we have the next question. Let us try to solve it. Please listen carefully, guys. Okay. So here we go. What do we have over here? We have a fantastic question, guys. So you need to check whether this is continuous for all R. So in this question, do you all agree that only at integers I have a problem? Guys, do you all agree only at integers I have a problem? Yes or no? Only at integers I have a problem. All the other points it is continuous. Yes, that you should understand. So I need to check only at integers. Okay, why other places it is defined? Because other places this is also continuous, this is also continuous, so I don't have a problem. All the other places apart from integers, only in integers this will create an issue. So I need to check this. At all other points I am totally happy. Okay, Priya, because only at integers this will create a problem, and this will be continuous everywhere. So this is a very simple one. This is going to be continuous everywhere. That won't create any problem. Okay. So the only problem creating guy is this boy. So this boy will become discontinuous at integers. So I need to check it. Okay. So let's check it, guys. So let us say x belongs to integers. Okay. So everybody knows at integers, can I say this is an odd integer? So odd integer into pi by 2 will be 0, and this limit will not be defined. Limit does not exist, because whenever you have GIF at integers, your LHL and RHL will be different. But guys, luckily you have multiplied by 0, so it will be 0 and hence it will be continuous. Therefore, the answer is option A. Okay, fantastic Ashwin, brilliant boy. Okay, so guys, that is how you do it. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the way to do it, guys. Okay, so you need to break it and see only at those suspicious points. So we have suspicious points as your integers, isn't it? So at your integers, you try to check it. And my GIF will not have limit existing, because my left hand limit and my right hand limit will both be different. So since my LHL and RHL are different, limit will not exist. But guys, luckily you have into 0, na? So that will take care of it. It will make it continuous. Okay. So that is why the answer is option A, which is continuous at x equal to r. Okay. GIF and greatest integer function is the same. Absolutely. Okay. Everybody clear with it? Guys, are you all comfortable? So shall I move forward? The session PDF will be available to you right after the class is over. And guys, at 1, why will it be discontinuous? Because check the left hand limit. The left hand limit will be what? The left hand limit will be 1, 0 minus something. So it will be negative something. So it will be minus 1 times of. The limit of this will be 0. That is your LHL. What will be your RHL at x equal to 1? At RHL x equal to 1, it will be 1 minus 0, slightly positive. So it will be 0 into 0. So both of them will be 0, na? So it is continuous at x equal to 1. So option A only is correct. B is wrong. Okay. So don't say it is B. Okay. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Okay. Everybody. Guys, cos 0 is not 1. What are you saying? Okay, so cos 0, why will it come here? It is cos of pi by 2. If I put LHL at x equal to 1, I will put x equal to 1, right? So if I put x equal to 1, what will I get? Cos of 1 into pi by 2, not 0 into pi by 2. If it is 0 into pi by 2, then I can understand. Cos 0 is 1. But it is cos pi by 2, na? So cos pi by 2 will be 0, so it will make it 0. Understood? I hope you guys are clear. Okay? Because cos is a continuous function. Balakrishna, cos is a continuous function. We all know that. So this is a good question, again done by your truth table. So let us try to solve it. Guys, the answer is option D. I will show you how it is done. Please listen carefully. So first of all, let us take this as some P. So P implies B. So what is P implies B? P implies B is negation P or B. What is negation P? Negation P is nothing but, it is negation A and will become OR, and negation of A intersection B. So it will be, I'm sorry, A implies B. Negation of A implies B, which will be negation A or B. Okay, so what will that be? That will be negation A or A, and it will become and B, right? And negation B. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? So let's try to do this. So it will be negation A or A and negation B or B. So this is what you have. Are you all clear with this? Everybody? So this will be true, guys. And this will also be true, no? So you guys can finish it off. That is the way you do it. I hope you guys liked it. Okay? So it will be a tautology over here. This will be a tautology, because it is always true. Why? Negation A or A will be true, because either A will be true or negation A will be true. So it always has to be true, and that is the way you do it. I hope you guys are clear with it. Okay? And guys, I think it is over here it should be negation B or B. Okay? Now you can combine them and solve it. That is the way you do it. I hope you liked it. Yes, everybody? Are you all clear with this? Okay. Shall I move forward? Fallacy means always false. Yes, absolutely. Did you all like this? Everybody understood it? Guys, can I get some yo or yes in the chat? Please let me know quickly. Did you all enjoy the class? Exactly, Bala Venkat, Superman. That is amazing. Okay, so let us move forward to the next question, guys. Let us go to the next one. So here we have the next question. A very, very good question. I hope you guys solved it. So guys, this was a very nice question from binomial theorem. So what I'll do is I will first club these, then I will do this. Okay, it is 14C1, 14C3, all the way up to 14C11, is it? I think it was only till 14C11. Okay, so this was the question. Is that correct? I think it was only till 14C11. Okay, that is the question, I guess, from my students. So now let us try to solve it. So this part, guys, this part is nothing but sigma r into 15CR into minus 1 to the power r, where r goes from 1 to 15. So now r into 15CR, I can write it as 15 into 14CR minus 1, okay, into minus 1 to the power r, sigma r equal to 1 to 15. Is that correct? Now I can take 1 r outside and write it as minus 15. So I will get minus 15 times sigma r equal to 1 to 15 14CR minus 1 minus 1 to the power r minus 1. So what will that be? It will be minus 15 into 14C0 minus 14C1 plus 14C, or it will be minus, right? Yeah, this will be minus plus and minus 14C2 and all the way. So guys, it is all alternative terms. So it will be 0. So this whole thing is actually one big under. Okay, so that is how you solve it. I took minus 15 outside, and when I expand this, putting r equal to 1, I'll get 14C0 minus 1 to the power minus 1, which will be minus 14C0 plus 14C1 minus 14C2, and it keeps going. So that will be 0. I hope you guys got it, everybody. So first part is 0. Now the second part is only what I need to solve. So basically the question is 14C1 plus 14C3 plus 14C5, the sum of all the odd coefficients. But what is missing? 14C13 is missing. So I will add 14C13 and subtract 14C13. Now what is this? Sum of all the odd binomial coefficient is 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 14C13, which is 14. So this is your answer, which is option B. Did you like it? Did you guys like it, everybody? Fantastic question, na? That is the way you solve it, my dear. I hope you guys have liked it. So shall we move forward, everybody? Very good, very good. So let us go to the next question. I hope you enjoyed this question, guys. Let us move and look at the next question. So what do we have here? We have y square equal to 4ax is a parabola, and a line segment is joining the focus of a parabola to a moving point on it. Okay, to a moving point on it. So any moving point on this parabola can be at square comma 2at. So this is the moving point, and focus of the parabola is a comma 0. So what is the midpoint? The midpoint, the locus of midpoint we have to find out. So the midpoint is nothing but at square plus a by 2 comma 2at by 2. So that is the midpoint. So this locus we need to find, which is h comma k. So can I say h comma k, my dear students, is nothing but your a into t square plus 1 by 2 comma it will be at. So guys, what will be my t? My t will be k by a. So I can write h is equal to 2h by a is equal to t square plus 1. So I can write it as k square plus a square by a square. So that is my locus. Okay. So that is my locus. Let's find it out. So what is my locus, my dear students? It is nothing but 2ah is equal to k square plus a square. That is my locus. I finished it off. So now I will get y square is equal to 2ax minus a square. So I will get y square is equal to 2a into x minus a by 2. So this is your parabola. Find the directrix of this. Okay, find the directrix of this, you will get the answer. And how was the paper? How did I feel the paper was? Guys, math was moderate. I wouldn't say it was very easy. At the same time, I wouldn't say it was very difficult. It was a very moderate paper, and I'm sure you guys have chance to score at least 40 to 50. Okay, so 40 to 50 is a doable score. Above 80 is a fantastic score. Above 80. So everybody clear with this? So what is the directrix of this parabola? Directrix is nothing but x equal to a, right? X equal to minus a. So what is x? X minus a by 2 is equal to minus of a. A is also a by 2. So the answer is x is equal to 0. So option B is your right answer. Okay. Everybody clear? 91 JEE is fantastic, man. In maths alone, that is a very, very high score. Okay. Everybody cool? Thank you, Ritika. That is so sweet of you. You guys are amazing. Definitely Rider King. We will help you at Vedantu and we will definitely guide you till the end of your preparation. Okay. Thank you, Anand Yadav. Very good. Legend, can you please rewind the video and look at it? It is a very basic locus question. Everybody clear? Guys, in case you did not understand, please rewind the video and have a look at it. How many of you are enjoying the sessions? Did you all like it? In some time, Harsh Sir will come. So I'm about to complete. We have only a few more questions left out. Why you replace h by x? Did I replace h by x? Okay. Yeah, I did that only. H I replaced by x, k I replaced by y. That's what we do, right, in locus. That is correct only. Okay. Very good. So we will move forward, my dear students. We have only a few more questions left. So let's fatafat do it. So what do we have? We have a circle, we have a parabola. We need to find out what is the area of circle outside the parabola. So we have a very standard circle, we have a standard parabola. I need to find out this area. I need to find out this area. So can I say it is nothing but area of circle, which is pi r square, minus area of this region? Area of circle minus black color region will give me the answer. Yes. So what I will do is I will just find out the black color area. So how do we find out the black color area? That is the real deal. I will do it for you. So first of all, you see that the upper portion and lower portion is symmetric. So I will say it is 2 times of integral from 0, because it starts from 0, up to which point? Up to this point of intersection. What is the point of intersection? Can anybody do that? So y square is 9x. So if I do that, I will get x square plus 9x is equal to 36. So I will get x as 3, right? Or 3 root 3. X is 3, na? Is it 3? Yeah, x is 3. So x will be 3 and y will be what? Y will be equal to 27, 3 root 3. So this is the point of intersection. So from 0 to 3, I will have upper function as what? Upper function as the parabola. So it will be 3 root x. And from 3 to 6, it will be what? From 3 to 6, it will be the circle. So circle will be root of 36 minus x square. Now that you should multiply by 2. That is your answer. Okay. So finish it off. That you calculated, that will be your black region. So that black region, you have to subtract it over here and that will give you the answer. I think it is option C or D, something. I'll tell you the answer, 1 minute. I think it is option C or D. Okay, just wait for some time. I will tell you exactly what it is. Clear? 1 second. I'll just show it to you. You did not get the second integral. See, second integral, you have to put the circle first, na? Because circle is forming the area. So circle, how do you write it? Y square equal to 36 minus x square. So y is equal to root of 36 minus x square. So that is what I wrote. So y dx, na? Integral area under x-axis will be y dx. So that is what I did. So guys, the answer is 12 pi plus 3 root 3. Okay, that is your answer. Everybody clear? Is it easy? Did you all like it? So guys, the answer is option A. It is not C, it is not D, it is option A. I hope you guys have understood it because there's a 2 here. Don't forget the 2. Why 2? Because guys, this area and this area are the same. Which area? This area and this area. Which one? The blue color one I'll do. Yeah. So this one. These two are same. So that's why I do multiply by 2. Got it? So let us go forward and try to look at the next question which I have. I think this is the last question. Somebody was asking it. So guys, are you all excited? Are you all ready for chemistry? Harsh Sir is going to come here and he's going to have a fabulous time with you. So please do stay and try to get chemistry because chemistry is a scoring subject and Harsh Sir is going to make it super interesting and super exciting for all of you. Okay? So make sure you guys are all ready. You guys are all able to listen and note down things what he's going to say. So shall we go forward? Everybody, I want to know some excitement from your side. How is the Josh? Are you all tired already? So we have been preparing for morning and you guys are tired. What is this? Come on guys. Fantastic job. So let us do this and we will move forward. So here it's a very slightly lengthy question. So I'll say it's a bit difficult. We can say moderate to difficult question because it is a bit lengthy. Okay. So what do we have? We have tangent at t comma t cube. So what is the slope of tangent? So dy by dx is equal to what? The slope of tangent is equal to your 3x square which is equal to 3t square. So this is the slope of tangent. Now guys, slope of tangent is equal to the slope of the line joining P and Q. So Q also lies on this curve. So I can take Q to be some z comma z cube. Is that okay? I can take Q to I can take Q to be z comma z cube. Is that correct? So PQ slope will also be equal to slope of tangent because PQ is only the tangent. Okay, so what is the slope of PQ? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So when I solve it, what will I get? 3t square is equal to z square plus t square plus tz. So when I solve it, what will I get? Z square minus 2 z square plus tz minus 2t square is equal to 0. So if you simplify it, what will you get? You will get z is equal to t or z is equal to minus 2t. So this is your q. So the q parameter is minus 2t. Are you all clear? The parameter of q is minus 2t. Are you all clear with this? Everybody? Yes, guys, we will. Thank you for your concern. Yes, I will drink some water. I'm almost done. Okay. That is so sweet of you guys. Okay, so guys, I hope everybody is clear until here. I got the parameter of point Q. Now that we have got the parameter of point Q, I need to move forward. So P is nothing but t comma t cube and Q is nothing but minus 2t comma minus 8t cube. So now I need to find the point which divides it in the ratio 1:2 internally. So section formula. So 2 into t plus 1 into minus 2t divided by 3 comma 2 into t cube plus 1 into minus 8t cube by 3. So what is the point? The point is 0 comma minus 2t cube. So the answer is, so that, my dear students, is how you solve it. I hope you guys liked it. Are you all clear? Everybody? Very good, perfect. So with that, I think we are done, guys. Yeah. So in case you enjoyed the session, do check out the crash course because many of you are asking me, sir, can you help me in your May attempt, March attempt, April attempt? So guys, this is planned for you. We have some fantastic teachers. I will also be taking some of the classes in case you want to make a difference. You saw the paper, right? It was supposedly very easy. So it's not very difficult to score. You just need some right guidance. And I want you to believe in us. You have to put your trust on us and we will deliver. If not March attempt, by April or May attempt, you guys will definitely go forward. Okay. So that is what we have here. This is your coupon code and this is the crash course price. I hope you guys have noted it down. The link is given on your screen. Go for it and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Okay. Guys, it is very important. This is a test series. Everything is down in the description. And this is my coupon code. My coupon code will lead you to my classes in case you are interested. So don't forget to do that. And in case you want to know me or ask me doubts, you can message me on Instagram. So this is Eklavya for those who did very well. It is going to start in March under the guidance of Anand Sir and his team. So please go and check it out. Okay. And guys, last but not the least, do join the Telegram group in case you want to be close to the channel, you want to know what is going to happen. And also, don't forget to subscribe. This is the most important one because I want to see you again. Tomorrow also we'll discuss. Day after tomorrow also we'll discuss. Yes, Rock Satvik, we will do 11th chapter syllabus, 12th standard syllabus, both. So this is the right time to join because Satvik, you realized it. The paper was not that difficult. So in case you want to make an impact to your score, go for it, close your eyes and take it. I will assure you it will be useful. And like I said, I will definitely guide you till the end. Yes, Vandana, definitely I'll help you with the handout. The handout is available in the description, Vandana. Okay. Thank you, Ritika. So guys, love you all. I hope you all had a great time. Thank you so much for being a part of these sessions. I will pass it on to Harsh Sir. So he will take it over from here. And I hope you guys will make use of his teaching. Okay. So please do wait. I will pass it on to him. He'll join right now. Okay.
Please let me know. He has ended.
You ended it?
No.
Yeah.
Hi guys, can you hear me? Please let me know in the chat box. My name is Harsh Maheshwari. I'll be taking your chemistry. Do let me know in the chat box. Yes, we are starting chemistry now. We are starting chemistry. Hi guys, what's up? I'm new here, right? I'm teaching for the first time on this channel and I'll be taking your chemistry. How was your exam? Do let me know and just give me 1 second. I want to pull up the chat box. I can't see the chat box. Give me 1 second. All right. बहुत सही. Yeah. My students call me captain. So if you are aware, yeah, Wasim sir was little stuck somewhere. So that's why I have to pitch in for him. That's the reason I am here in front of you. ठीक है? I'll teach you the same. Don't worry. ठीक है? चलो start करते हैं बच्चा without wasting any time. How was your exam? Please do let me know. How was the exam? How was the chemistry exam in general? How did you find it? कैसा लगा? Hi, yes. So my name is Harsh Maheshwari. My students call me captain and I will make sure that you get the discussion, paper discussion or chemistry. Let's start the session without wasting any time. ठीक है? Without wasting any time, let's start it. ठीक है? First question. Did you see this question? Please check this out. Substance given with the molar mass 90 gram. Your weight is also given. The sample mass is also given. Volume of the solution is given. Find molarity. How basic, how simple question. What a simple question we got. And the correct answer is 0.2. Let's solve this simple molarity formula. Molarity is equal to number of moles by volume in liter. Right? So then you can write given mass by molar mass into 1000 divided by volume in milliliter. Just put the values properly, you will get the answer. So given mass is 4.5 and your molar mass is 90 into 1000 by 250. Correct? So you will end up with the result as 0.2. Yes, I am pretty sure aapko mila hoga. Yes? Did you get the same answer? Do let me know in the chat box ki you got the answer. Right? 0.2. Awesome. This was a pretty easy problem, right? Basic problem. Yes. Show me some love in the chat box. Show me some energy. Yes, if you got it right, do reply. Do let me know that you got this question and you answered it correctly. Awesome. Let's proceed. Next question, beta. Next question. This one was basic, very straightforward. We did not find the remaining options, but yes, I think it's quite clear. The coordination number of BCC is 8, right? How many of you got this? Say +4 in the chat box. Say +4 in the chat box. Yes, sir, I also got this question solution, right? Do let me know. Awesome. But simple. If you want me to explain, I'll explain it to you as well. Very simple. Guys, have you played cricket or football? How many of you follow soccer, right? So imagine you have 4 footballs which you have which you made sure that they are stuck together. You have used Fevicol, and you guys know Fevicol का जो bond होता है बहुत strong होता है, right? So you have used Fevicol. So imagine you have again used 4 Costco balls or 4 football, whatever your favorite sport is. When I will club them together, when I will club these together, this is your layer 1, this is your layer 1 of 4 footballs, this is your layer 2, right? When you will club them together, you will find a space in between, right? In between that space, if I am able to place a very small ball which fits everything, right? So can I say it is touching 4 Costco balls at the top, 4 Costco balls at the bottom. So what is the coordination number? Because BCC is nothing but atoms are present at the corner and at the body center, right? And at the body center. So I'll just draw this for you. Very simple, very easy explanation. So this is your BCC. So here, 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 and you will find a small ball right at the center, right? It will touch all the other balls, right? Can I simply say that? So the correct answer is option 8. I'm pretty sure you got that right. Chalo, moving on. Gunmetal. Beta, what is the composition of your gunmetal? I think it was easy, and many of you have read this already in your junior classes as well. The correct composition was 88% of your copper, 10% of your tin, 2% of your zinc. Okay, so gunmetal contains these elements in it, right? Awesome. Okay, yes, these are JEE questions. You got this as well? You got this as well in your exam? Please do let me know. So if you got it right, say +4 in the chat box. If you got it wrong, say -1, right? Do let me know. What do I, Albert Einstein, I think you have some problem. +4, do let me know in the chat box, +4. And if you got it wrong, please say -1, right? And if you just are loving the session, you can say, I captain, I captain. Hai na? Awesome. Chalo, next, moving on, next question. Bond angle of water, yaar, it was so easy, yaar. Matlab your exam, to be very honest, your exam was so easy. How many of you got this? H2O, beta, you guys know H2O. It is sp3 hybridized. Oxygen is your central atom. There are 2 lone pairs. Generally, when you see tetrahedral geometry, the bond angle is 109 degree, right? But because of the heavy lone pair repulsion, you guys know lone pair repulsion is more than lone pair bond pair repulsion or bond pair repulsion in that say. So this repulsion would actually make sure this theta, these bonds would decrease because of the lone pair repulsion. Because of these repulsions, the angle will decrease, theta would decrease, and it will become 104 degree, approximately a 104.5 degree. Understood? Got this as well? Do let me know ki sir, I got this as well. Tell me your score in the chat box. Tell me your score. It's not 108. It's 104, right? 104. Your ammonia is 107. If you got that, if you are thinking it is 108, it is wrong. The correct answer is 104.5 degree. ठीक है? ये question नहीं था. Someone is saying in the chat box. Someone is saying in the chat box, did you come across this paper? This question, sorry. Did you come across this particular question? I'm pretty sure many of you are saying yes. Some of you are saying nahi tha. But yeah, I know it was there. I know. Chalo, moving on. We got these questions from students only, right? So they have given ki these were the questions. We have taken it up. Awesome. Chalo, कोई बात नहीं. Nevertheless. हाँ, ये बढ़िया क्वेश्चन था. अब इसका आंसर करना बेटा. ये था क्या? Anaerobic respiration causes. Do let me know what is the correct answer you guys got. Anaerobic respiration causes. ये था? Yes. Greenhouse effect. Awesome. You guys know that anaerobic respiration is nothing but when your glucose breaks down in the absence of oxygen, the side products or the end product is methane and carbon dioxide. Methane is also one of the global the gas which is responsible for greenhouse effect. methane is also one of the gas which is responsible for your greenhouse effect. The correct answer is yes, option C. I'm pretty sure many of you got it right, so please let me know. I can see in the chat box it is just booming with C. Give yourself a +4 there, okay? Beta, it was there. This question is certified and it was approved by all the students because we have cross-checked. Many students said yes, it was there. Okay? Chalo, awesome. Very nice, loving the energy. Beta, I see, if you are coming here on this beautiful channel and if you haven't liked this video already, then I'll not move forward. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and keep coming back here because we will be discussing everything. Okay? I'll try also at maybe at the second shift also we will discuss. Okay? So make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel and also hit the like button. I can see the like button should go up. Okay? Please make sure you like and you subscribe to this channel. Awesome. Why didn't I join here? Because I love Vedantu JEE more. Alright, monomers of Buna S and nylon 6. This was a pretty basic question directly from your NCERT. Direct question, overall chemistry, chemistry exam was, or chemistry paper I would say, right? It was very easy according to me, right? How did you feel? Right? So Buna S and nylon 6, the correct answer, Buna S is nothing but a synthetic rubber. It is made up of what? Styrene and your 1,3-butadiene. Similarly, if you talk about your nylon 6, it is made up of omega caprolactam. You hydrolyze your omega caprolactam, amino acid is produced, then you polymerize it, right? So pretty sure I have given the structure. You can find the link also in the PDF. Okay? And link in the description box for your PDF. Okay? Chalo. So this was it, simple. Yes. This is called omega caprolactam. Directly from NCERT. This is also a very simple question. Why nitration of aniline gives meta product? Straightforward question. Yeah, you guys know. When you do nitration of aniline, first of all, this is your aniline. And when you do nitration means you are using HNO3 in the presence of H2SO4. Can I simply say, from here, the electrophile which is generated is NO2+, okay? Point number 1. But this will provide acidic medium. So I was thinking, since my electrophile is NO2+, it will attack and it will give us ortho and para product, major. But to our surprise, what happens here? Because it is providing an acidic medium. Just because this thing is providing HNO3 and H2SO4 will provide an acidic medium. So here, this lone pair will see the proton and it will go crazy. So what will happen? It will attack here. It will attack on this proton, giving you an selenium ion. And bacha log, if you have studied chemistry properly, you know an selenium ion is a strong deactivating group. It is a strong -I group. It will pull the electron density out of the system, out of this benzene ring, and only meta position you will see which has more electron density. That's why you will see 47% of the product would be meta product. Okay? Your ortho product is around 51% and your para product is around 2% in this particular case. Yes? Is that point clear? So answer is option A. Of course, we have only one option written. Come on, what am I asking? Samajh aaya? I hope the question, the point is clear, right? Very good. Moving on. आगे बढ़ेंगे without wasting any time. Let's move on to the next one. ये भी हो गया. Which of the following or ये प्यारा सवाल था. This was a good question, right? How many of you got this? ठीक है? And how many of you got the correct answer? Please let me know what is the answer for this question. You guys talk a lot in the chat box on Enthuse channel. I want to see, are you getting the right answers as well? I'm just pulling your leg, don't mind me. What is the correct answer here? Gonna write tomorrow, all right. A is the correct answer. Which of the following ore is concentrated by using group 1 cyanide? Cyanide, yeah, simple thing. देखो यार, here, if you have studied this chapter properly, actually what happens, first of all, let me write all these ores. So, cephaloryte is nothing but ZnS. Malachite is nothing but copper hydroxide. Copper hydroxide in the presence of, dot CuCO3. Calamine is nothing but ZnCO3. And siderite is nothing but FeCO3. Right? If you talk about safflorite, ZnS, right? If you talk about this, beta, I can have this method. There is one process in metallurgy when you have two sulfide ores and I want to, do froth flotation. I want to get only one ore out of the solution. I want to get only one type of sulfide ore out of the solution, and I will consider this as an impurity. Imagine I have ZnS and I have PbS in the solution, but I want to get only lead from this particular sulfide, right? From this solution, I want to extract only lead. So this will act as an impurity. So how to get rid of this? Because if I will do froth flotation, both of them will start floating. I don't want that to happen. So what you will you will use depressing agents. For example, very simple. So you will use ZnS and PbS. Here it will act as an impurity. Here you will add, very important thing, your NaCN. NaCN beta will not react with PbS, but it will only react with your impurity, giving you ZnCN. Achha, this is impurity, right? It can also, it was acting as an impurity because it can also come in the flotation method, but I don't want this sulfide to form froth. So what you will do, you will try to use NaCN and you will make sure this dissolves in the solution so that no froth would be created. So what will happen? You will end up getting a soluble complex. This is soluble and it will not come out. I hope the point is clear. So that's why the correct answer is option A. It was a very cool question. अच्छा सवाल था ये. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे. हाँ, कंपेयर द फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी. ये बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन था. मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, सिलिकॉन, फास्फोरस and your sulfur. Very simple. First of all, just write them down. So here ठीक है. We have here magnesium. Beta, you guys know magnesium is it comes under, it is a part of S block element. So S block is more near to the nucleus. So if you want to remove the first electron, since S is near to the nucleus, it will be difficult. And we know as you move from left to right, size decreases. Size decreases, so ionization energy should increase, right? But here, when you compare magnesium and aluminium, aluminium will have lesser IE value as compared to magnesium. First reason is because magnesium is an S block element and it requires more energy to pull the electrons out from your but whenever the electron is residing in S subshell, right? That's where magnesium. Acha. Then bachcho, there will be another exception. Then bachcho, what will happen? You will get silicon. Here you will see an exception which is very basic. Because of what? Because of what? Please let me know. What would be the reason why there would be an exception? Do let me know. What would be the reason? I am asking you guys, come on, give me some energy in the chat box. Yes, I will explain. Give me some energy. No inert pair effect कैसे आ गया यार? Albert Einstein, you speak proper chemistry language, है ना? So here the reason is because of half-filled configuration. Your phosphorus would be at the highest position because the configuration is what? 3s2 3p3. Here the configuration is what? 3s2 3p4. Half-filled configuration is more stable. Yes. How much energy do I want? I want good answers from your side. I want you to participate in the chat box. Did you get this right or wrong? Do let me know. So the correct answer is simple. That should have been the option I am telling here. Aluminium, then magnesium, then silicon, then you have you will have sulfur, and then phosphorus. Cool. This should be the right answer. I'm pretty sure if you have marked this correctly, this would be the answer. Okay? This should be the answer. Get yourself. Please tell me, did you get the right answer? Say +4 in the chat box. Chalo, moving on. Next question. हाँ, ये भी बड़ा simple सा है. An ore of tin containing FeCrO4 chromite is a magnetic impurity. And tin, whenever it is again from metallurgy, very simple question. Beta, tin ore is, one ore is cassiterite. Cassiterite generally contains magnetic impurities. So whenever you have magnetic impurities, you would go for concentration, and that too, what type of concentration? You will use magnetic separation. Okay? Magnetic impurities would be separated like that. So separated like that. So SnO2 must be present here. SnO2 must be present here. So the correct answer is, you also might have studied wolframite. SnO2 is generally present with wolframite. That is a compound of tungsten. है ना? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Chromium here is also magnetic. चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे बेटा. Next up, this one. Was it there in your exam today? Please let me know. क्या ये question exam में था? Was this question in your exam? Do let me know. Do confirm me on that, because some of you were saying yes or no. मतलब do just confirm. All right. So many of you are saying no. ठीक है, चलो अगर नहीं था तो आई विल नॉट डिस्कस इट बाय वेस्ट एनर्जी. ऑलराइट, मूविंग ऑन. हाँ जी, दिस क्वेश्चन वाज डेफिनेटली देयर. Helical structure of protein. Some of the students said DNA, some of the students said protein, right? So do let me know which one is the correct answer according to you. Correct question, मतलब was it protein, was it DNA? Do let us know. Answer is same for both. Answer is same for both. Other options were not given. Yeah, they just gave this. So other options, we know the correct answer, so we have written that. It was protein. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही. You know, secondary structure of protein forms this helical structure due to hydrogen bonding. I have a beautiful image from NCERT. Check this out. You can check this image out. Yeah, right. This is the beautiful image. Directly, this is the helical structure right in front of you. It's again from NCERT. Give yourself a +4 in the chat box if you got it right. Awesome. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. NCERT is OP यार. Yes, I'm pretty sure Wasim sir would be advocating that only, right? कि यार study from your NCERT when it comes to mains. If you want to get selection, you want to get the seat in IIT or your NIT, you have to first finish your NCERT. That is your go-to book. All right. Even DNA has helical structure. Yes, of course. Yes, I was saying answer is same for both. Awesome. चलो moving on. Next question. This one was easy. What is the correct answer in the chat box? Let me know. क्या आंसर है बेटा correct answer इसका? What is the correct answer? बेटा love this video by liking it, share and also subscribe to this channel. ठीक है? And also subscribe to this channel. Right now I can see 946 likes. Right? Make it up to thousands. Right? 1,000. Yeah. Make it up to 1,000, please. है ना? I would definitely like to see some increase in the like. All right. यार इसका correct answer है B. Whoever is saying B has done the right job. Give yourself a +4. I'll talk about it. Very simple. First of all, protonation is happening. मैं black इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. Let me use black. हाँ. So here oxygen has lone pair. It will attack here. Protonation will happen. So what you will end up getting? First thing that you will get is this. There is a room for improvement, right? So this is the compound. No, this is one hydrogen. Right, this is a second degree carbocation. Now this carbocation would look here and there. Can it become more stable? Yes, it can. There is one more hydrogen here. So what will happen? 1,2 hydride shift. What will happen? 1,2 hydride shift. ये बच्चों ने मिस करा. This hydride will shift here. 1,2 hydride shift. Due to this, you will end up getting a positive charge here. Then your Cl minus will come and attack here. The correct answer is option B. समझ आ गया? सबको समझ आया? It was really simple. I hope you have got this point as well. चलो, learning is fun here. Awesome. Good to know. Good to know. let's move on. Next one, jaldi se, without wasting any time. Yeah, straightforward question. Acha, I got to know this question, data is same, but it is a zero order reaction. It is a zero order reaction. Am I correct here? Is it a zero order reaction? DNA has hydrogen bonding in it, right? So it was a zero order reaction. So yaar, make sure, because I have got the information from our students कि it was first order, but if you go later on, I realized some of you are also saying zero order. So very straightforward, I'll solve it for both. Okay, you decide later on. So for your first order, you have to use this formula. T is equal to 2.303 K log A0 by AT. Beta, I am assuming initially the concentration was 100%. So A0 would be taken as 100. After time T, they are saying since 40% is done, is completed, 40% of the reaction has been completed. So how much reactant would be left in the container? 60%, no? Right? Basically, I am writing 100%, 100 by 100. 60% is what? 60 by 100. So smart way of doing is, कि यार your A0 by AT would become what? It will become 100 by 60. Directly you could have written. This is the ratio would be. This would be the ratio, sorry. है ना? Values are given. K value is given 2.303. You know, solve this T. You will get some answer. Okay? Straightforward. I'll show you what is the answer when you are using your first order data. If you are saying it is zero order, nothing. Then you will just use this formula. A0 minus AT is equal to KT. You have to find the time. Very simple question again very simple question. ठीक है, चलो. I have the answer for first order, so I'll show you the answer. 202.6. Moving on. All right. चलो, बहुत सही यार, मजा आ रहा है. I want to see more likes. I want you to, everybody, you know, just like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video as much as possible. Help your people, right? Help your people. All right, chalo. When I say people, all the students who are, you know, who want this session in English. That's why. Yeah, this is also again a data-driven question. Again, a data-driven question. Out of these elements, which will show positive reduction or positive SRP value, the correct answer is copper. Out of all these, copper has the positive SRP, means copper from its +2 state would be readily converted into copper solid. This is your aqueous. Here the SRP value, this is a little bit data driven question. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा I don't like this question because it was a data driven question. Again, copper has the positive SRP value here out of all these, right? ठीक है, copper इसका correct answer था. Reduction potential. ठीक है, चलो. How was it? This was a very basic question. Again, straightforward question. You want to do nitration on your substituted phenol, right? You guys know phenol is +M. It increases the electron density in the system by the virtue of +M and -I. +M being the stronger effect, so electron density would be increased in this ring. Okay. Now, if I am using your nitration technique here, where should your NO2 plus is the electrophile. What is the electrophile here? What is the electrophile here, beta? NO2 plus. This is your electrophile. Where it should attack? Beta, it should attack at ortho and para position. Since ortho is blocked, para is blocked, only remaining option is this ortho. So the correct answer is option B. Give yourself a +4 if you got it right. Not in the paper. ये तो है. I know that. ठीक है? This was verified. चलो. Moving on. Number of chiral carbons in neoprene, answer should be 0. सही बता रहा हूँ. They are asking for chiral carbon, means on a carbon you will have 4 different groups attached to it. So what is your neoprene? Neoprene is coming from 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. कहाँ से आता है? It is coming from 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. This is the structure. Chloro 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. बेटा, where is the chiral carbon? Nowhere, ना? है ही नहीं इधर. Even if you polymerize, and asking a question on chiral carbon on the polymer is completely wrong. I think this should be here what should be the answer? Answer should be 0. Answer should be 0. This question was there. This question was also there. Okay? If it is not in the paper, very good, because I did not like this question also. Okay? But many students confirmed कि यार we found this. So that's why I'm discussing it here. Cool. चलो बढ़िया. ये तो पूछा है, ये भी पूछा था. इसमें थोड़ा सा डाउट है. I have a little doubt in this one. Which of the following oxides of nitrogen converts to another oxide on heating? Did you see this question in the question paper? Did you see this question in the question paper? अरे यार, 1 second. If I can speak 1 or 2 lines in Hindi, I will speak 2-3 lines in Hindi. If you don't like it, you can go to some other channel. यार, I am speaking in English only. Don't tell me, है ना? I won't take that. Which of the following oxides of nitrogen converts to oxide on heating? Was it there? Do let me know. Do let me know. Was it there? नहीं था. ठीक है, इसका वैसे आंसर, the correct answer should be N2O4, which will give you NO2, right? Which will give you NO2 twice. Chalo, no worries. What about this? Which of the following pair? This is the last question we found. Which of the following pairs are isostructural? Which of the following pair is isostructural? Means they have the same structure. Do let me know. What is the correct answer? In the chat box. What is the correct answer? I think. Yes. Badhiya. Badhiya. The correct answer is only option A, not A and C. Some of you are saying A and C. A is the correct answer. Beta, sulfate ion will have tetrahedral structure like this. SO4 2 minus. This is your tetrahedral geometry. Even chromate ion, you study this also in D block elements. This is your D block, this is your chromate ion. CrO4 2 minus. Same structure. Everywhere you see sulfur and your chromium is sp3 hybridized. ठीक है? चलो. Some of you are saying option C. I'm sorry, it is a wrong answer. This is not the correct answer. BF3 is sp2. BF3 is sp2 hybridized. Whereas BRF3 is sp3d2. And not d2, I'm sorry, sp3d. Tetragonal bipyramidal. Let me draw the structure. Let me draw the structure. Hanji, does it look like a T shape? It has T shape in it. It has T shape, right? It has a T shape, and the hybridization is sp3d. ठीक है? TBP, trigonal bipyramidal, and this is your trigonal planar. Both have different geometries, right? It is sp2 hybridized. It is sp3d hybridized. समझ आ गया बेटा? Everything is clear. So guys, what are your plans? What are your plans after JEE? I'm pretty sure many of you might have, just given a beautiful paper, beautiful exam, right? What are your plans after this particular exam? Next target is your what? IIT Advanced, right? You have to plan for your advance. So boys and girls, this is the best platform. Eklavya program we are starting, and this program is like next level. Last year we got more than 500 students got, 500 students got selection from this particular program, right? More than 500 students actually. And the best part, this is for free. And guys, if you feel like that you will be getting 96 percentile or above, or even if you have less but you have a specific reason ki sir, this is the XYZ reason I could not perform to my potential, we will look for your application. You know, we will give you an exemption and we'll make sure you are part of this beautiful program. This is your Eklavya program. We will make sure that you learn properly for your advance. You prepare yourself for advance so that you, and if you get into this particular program in a particular batch of Eklavya, it's a sure shot selection for your advance. Sure shot selection for advance. Okay? Because the result, the delta we have created was phenomenal, was mind blowing. Okay? So all you have to do, link is in the description box. Just register. Register, go there, register. It's absolutely free. You need not to pay a single dime to anyone. Okay? एक रुपया भी किसी को नहीं देना. You have to be a part of it. Link to this is in the description box. And again, I have added the links and we are asking all of you, if you are getting 96 percentile above, or if you are getting 96 percentile, awesome, you will get direct admission. But if you feel like, sir, I might get 90 to 95 percentile, it's okay. If it's a special case, we will look into this. We will give you an exception, or we will give you an exemption. Ki aajo, be a part of this, right? So there will be a proper test. If you are coming to this particular batch, there will be a proper test. But yes, once you get into this batch, it's a sure shot selection. Okay, how to enroll? Simple link is in the description box. Click on there and simply register. Just register. Okay, awesome. So I will encourage each and every one of you to be a part of it, because we are thinking for our advance. Okay, we have to think about our advance. If you have aced this exam, now next target is advance. Awesome. Thank you so much for joining in. And yes, again I would say, whatever the PDFs you want, right? The session PDF would be available on your Telegram. So kindly check that out. Okay, jaldi se check karna. It's in the description box. Link to this Telegram is in the description box. Point number 2, which is very important, very important. You know what? If you haven't liked this video, make sure you like it. Very nice. I wanted 1K likes. Very nice. Similarly, subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when the video is going live. Okay? Now, Shreyas Sir will come back and he will discuss physics paper, right? Thank you so much. That's it from my side.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome. This is Shreyas here, your master teacher for physics at Vedantu going live. Just give me a minute. I'll just load my slides. Just give me a minute. All right. I'll be right here. Hold on. Okay. Yes, there we go. Cool. Okay. So in the morning session, we had already discussed 10 questions. All right, we had already discussed 10 to 11 questions. So I'm just going to show you all the answers. In case you are coming in late, just have a look at all these options, guys. This is very important. Okay, so this was the answer for this particular question, question number 1, and then this was question number 2. The answer was this. I'm playing it in fast forward mode because in case you are coming in late, you can just have a look at it. This was question number 3. This was the answer, convex mirror, positive focal length. All right, welcome all the minions out here. Then question number 4, this was the answer, the one with charges and the cube. This was the answer. Then the one with capacitor, series and parallel, the answer was 1:4. This was the answer. Yes. Okay, I'm quickly going through all the questions so that in case you have missed any of the questions, you can have a look at it. And then question number 6, this was the answer. This was the answer. All right. And then question number 7, you're pushing the block against the wall. The answer was 25 Newton. Yes, this was 25 Newton. And then you had this SHM. The amplitude was asked when you place some mass over it, and the answer was a/√2. That was the answer for this question. All right, and then question number 9, the question was find the voltage difference between points X and Y. The answer was again 2.4 volts. All right. So guys, I'm just doing a quick revision of the questions which I have discussed just some time back. I'll be discussing after question number 11. All right, question number 10, the answer was decreases. Yes, the question number 10 answer was decreases when you increase the wavelength. And question number 11, charge was given. The question was find the current at 3 seconds. The answer was 20 amperes. So guys, are you now ready to discuss more questions? Are you guys now ready? Yeah, let's do this. So don't worry, Selva Kumar, you can ping me on Instagram or just leave a comment after this video ends. I'll definitely help you out with the Telegram link in case it is not working. Don't worry, we'll update it. Yes, let's get going. And guys, I know many of you are very interested to join the Eklavya program, which is for JEE Advanced. So do not forget to check the link in the description box, because this is a free program which is starting on 8th March, 19th March, 1st May and 29th May. Free program. Yes, all the tests, all the discussions, all the assignments, all the live sessions, revisions will happen for free if you do really well in your JEE Mains. And if you have done it, then do not forget to fill up the details so that you can get yourself enrolled into this program. Yes, my Instagram link, some of you are asking my Instagram link. Well, there you go. My Instagram link is Shreyas_Vedantu. So Shreyas_Vedantu, that's my Instagram handle, where you can ask anything. If you feel that you are lonely, if you feel that you need a friend, if you are depressed, if you have any other such academic query, feel free to hit me on my Instagram account, Shreyas_Vedantu. Yes, so let's get going to the next set of questions coming up on your screen now. So here is the next question, and it says, yes, it says an object is moving with some speed and it collides with an identical mass at rest. After the collision, they both move at an angle of 30 degrees with original direction. Find the ratio of final speed to the initial speed. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, my bad. I think I just showed the answer. It's okay. Forget the answer. I'll just show you how to do this question. See, all you need to do is assume that there is a mass and there is another mass at an angle over here. This mass is moving with, let's say, some speed v, or you can assume it to be, let's say, u. Okay, once it hits it, all right, both these masses are going to go like that. So if this was the initial direction, this mass ends up going like this and this mass ends up going like this. But because of symmetry, since both the angles are same, masses are same, it's clearly mentioned that this is 30 and this is also 30 degrees. So this speed and this speed must be equal because masses are same, angles are same. So by symmetry, remember the property of symmetry which I have been usually talking about. So this works over here. Okay, so now what do? Conserve momentum, that's it. So let's conserve momentum. So initial momentum is mu. All right, this guy has no momentum because he's at rest, and these two people have some momentum in the x direction, and that is very easy to find. So just take mass into velocity and the component of it, which is cos 30 component, but there are two masses like that, so multiply it by 2. Now m goes, and our cos 30 is root 3 by 2, 2 goes, and you will have v root 3. That is equal to u. So question was final to initial speed. So v divided by u will become nothing but 1 by root 3. So that is the correct answer. Is that clear, everyone? Yes. 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 So such a simple question, and some of you were probably also saying, is this a repeated question? See guys, we have discussed so many questions on this channel. It's very likely that similar concepts would have been repeated in the JEE Mains paper. So if you have been following our channel religiously, then I'm pretty sure few questions at least would have repeated conceptually, at least formulas wise, etc. So please keep paying attention to the details whatever we discuss on this channel. Now this was supposed to be done using elimination. This was one of the tricks which I told you in my short video of how to guess correctly in MCQs. All you need to do is see a body cools from 100 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius in a time of 20 minutes. Alright, now the question is from 110 to 100 degrees. So from 110 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. So how much time will it take? Don't you remember Newton's law of cooling? It is dependent on how much is the difference of temperatures with the surrounding. So here the temperature difference is huge with the surrounding. It will cool faster. This will be fast. As it cools, the cooling will slow down. Isn't it correct? So this will be less than 20 minutes. So which is there? The only option correct is B. Very good. All the minions. Excellent, Gagan, Rishikesh, Chitosh, Priyanka. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent day. So it's all about common sense, using common sense, guys. That's all. It was very simple. Yes, Ashwan. Yes, Abhishek. Very good. Let's get going to the next one. So the correct answer was B, like you just saw. Cool. Here is question number 14. Now you need to calculate this a little bit and let's see how to do this one. So let's start doing this problem. The question is, in this process, BC is isothermal. Find the work done in that complete cycle. That means you need the area. Alright, but you cannot calculate the area because it's not a triangle. Don't be a fool and calculate the area of that triangle. You will not get it. Okay, so let's just assume some temperatures and all that. So if this is temperature T, think about it. This will be also 2T. This will be 2T. Why? Because the volume has doubled. If the volume doubles, the temperature will double at constant pressure. Does that make sense to you? Now, since this is isothermal process, won't point B also have 2T temperature? Because it's on an isotherm. It's on an isotherm. So that's why it will be 2T. Great. Now, once these things are clear, also let me tell you that how many moles are there? Well, in one cycle, I think number of moles has not been mentioned, but okay, I'll just put it like this. PV, pressure at this point, all right, if this P1 is equal to P, PV is equal to nRT. This is one equation that I can write. Now, the total work done in that cycle will be work done from A to B plus work done from B to C plus work done from C to A. Now you can clearly see that from A to B the volume is constant. That means it's an isochoric process, so the work done is 0. So that's it. From A to B the work done is 0. So forget about it. Next up, is that clear? Yes. Now if this is clear, what is the work done from B to C? Think about it. Use your logarithm formula. Yes, logarithm nRT ln V2 by V1. So nRT, T is 2T, alright, into ln final volume by initial volume. Final volume by initial volume is nothing but 2V divided by V. That's it. I hope this is clear. Correct. And work done from C to A. Work done from C to A will be negative. Why? Because the volume is decreasing. So it will be just P times delta V, which is 2V minus V. Final minus initial. So if you want, you can put plus over here and put V minus 2V also. It's one and the same thing. So you are going to get 2 times nRT ln 2 minus PV. Okay, so guys, what is nRT from there? It is just PV. So it will be 2 PV ln 2, okay, minus PV. So PV can be taken common. So it will become 2 ln 2 minus 1. So 2 ln 2 minus 1 into PV, that is the correct answer. Is that clear? Yes, very good. Very good. Excellent. 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 So guys, this is an English channel. I hope you know that. And see, some of you are asking, is the same discussion also happening on other channels? Yes. So guys, we at Vedantu are a family. We have been solving all the papers together and we have provided you with the solutions and we have given you 2 options. If you want to learn in Hindi, then there is JEE channel, obviously. And also if you want to learn in English, then this channel is also there. So we all have collected the questions from all our lovely students out here based on memory. And then we have assorted these questions to so that you are well prepared for the next exam, especially the next shift people. And if you have written this paper, then you know whether you got this correct or whether you got it wrong. Yes, correct. Yes, Mr. Best. All right, let's get going to the next one. Now this was the easiest of all. I mean, come on, look at it, guys. What is there in that? To find the ratio of the time periods. That's what has been asked. So guys, T1 by T2 will be omega 2 by omega 1. Find the ratio of the angular velocity. Oh, I think find the ratio of the angular velocities. So inverse. All right, the ratio of the time period is given. So omega 1 by omega 2 will be T2 by T1 because omega is 2 pi divided by time period. That's it. The ratio of the time periods is 1:8. This was 1:8. So obviously this will be 8:1 and hence that should be the answer. I mean, can this be even a question? I mean, like, really, why? Why was this even a question? I'm like really surprised, guys. Crazy, I mean. So this was the correct answer. Yes, let's get going to the next one. Guys, trust me, if you just know the formulas, if you knew the definitions, and if you have just attended few sessions of mine, at least even the formula sessions and my strategy sessions, trust me, you can easily score, or rather you would have easily scored at least 80 marks in today's JEE Mains paper. What do you think? How many of you think the formula sessions, how many of you think the strategy sessions, how many of you think the other sessions that we took have helped you? All the teachers on this channel, Wasim Sir took, Shimon Sir took, all these formula sessions, we took so many mock tests. Hasn't it helped you guys? Don't you feel so? So many questions were so similar, so many questions were so easy. We have been solving, in fact, much more difficult problems than what we are discussing here today. And you can see that this has definitely helped you get a lot of marks. Yes, thank you so much, Bharat, Huzaif, Tech, Janvi, yes, Mr. Best, yes, Priyanka. Very good, Nirupam. Excellent, Aditya. Very good, very good. So guys, this question again is based on the formula which I gave you when I taught you electromagnetic waves. So guys, speed of light, all right, speed of light in some another medium, all right, is speed of light in vacuum divided by mu. That's what is, I think, mentioned. All right, yeah, the speed of light in the medium is c divided by mu. Now, well, let's do this. What is the speed of light in any medium? It is 1 upon root of mu in that medium, but this mu is permeability, and permeability is permeability of free space into relative permeability. Relative permeability into permeability of vacuum or free space into permittivity. Permittivity of free space into relative permittivity. That's how this works. All right. And 1 upon mu, of course, this is refractive index. Be careful. So this question was given deliberately because many of you are going to confuse with the symbols. And the value of C is obviously 1 upon root of mu naught and epsilon naught, because this was in free space or vacuum. Now you can obviously see so many things are going to get cancelled. Mu naught, epsilon naught, and that's about it. You're going to get 1 by mu is 1 by mu r ER. So guys, take the reciprocal of that. So root of mu r ER is going to be mu. All right. So that's it. That's it. Yes, that's it. That's the answer. Done. Done. Very good, Priyanka. Very good, Rekha. Very good, Mr. Best. Very good, Anandita. Very good. Very good, Chintosh. Very good, Meghna. Very good. Very good. Very good, Nirupam. Huzaif, Ishita, very good, Abhishek. Excellent. Let's get going to the next one. And here it comes. A proton and lithium triple positive are accelerated through the same potential difference. If the mass of lithium is 8.3 times of the mass of the proton, then find the ratio of the de Broglie wavelength. Alrighty. So guys, we all know that the de Broglie wavelength, alright, the de Broglie wavelength is h divided by p. And we also know that energy is nothing but kinetic energy. Alright. So kinetic energy is momentum square by 2m. So it is p square by 2m. And how do you get that kinetic energy? Because of the acceleration. So it will be charge which is accelerated into the voltage difference. So basically that acceleration due to voltage difference goes into kinetic energy. That's what I have written down. Now from this equation you will get P is equal to 2m voltage difference, and the charge, of course, the whole thing under the root. That's what you're going to get. Take that momentum, put it here, and you have to just put the value of momentum from there, root of 2 times m voltage difference into q. That is what lambda is going to be. Now the question is lambda of lithium 3 plus upon lambda of proton. Now see guys, lot of things are constants in this. What are all the constants in this? Think. H is a constant, 2 is a constant, voltage is a constant. Only masses and charges are not constants. That's about it, and just put that. That's it, you will get it. So it will be nothing but root of, so here lithium's mass will come, mass of lithium into charge of lithium. Alright, and here you'll have mass of proton and charge of proton. So everything is given to you. I think mass of lithium is 8.3 times. So this will be 8.3 times. And lithium has a charge of 3 times more than that of a proton. Here you will have just 1 and 1. Solve this. I think you are going to get the answer as 0.2. Yes, very good. I hope this is clear. Yes, N1715. We have lot of JEE enthusiasts, minions, our lovers, our supporters who keep sending us all the problems that they remember after the exam, and they have given us all the questions. A huge shout out and thank you for all those students who have been loving us and sending us all the papers. Thank you so much, because of which we were able to actually discuss this paper. All right, so that is the answer. Cool. Excellent, Shri. Excellent, 1, 2. English 03. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. No, Karthika, I don't think so. Tomorrow's paper will be tough. I think they are going to make it easy only. Don't worry, beta. Don't worry. If you are following our channel, trust me, you will get more than 80 marks. Aram se, like easily, cakewalk. Okay. Now this one was so simple, guys. I mean, what should I tell you? Beta, all right. Beta is nothing but the, what do you say? A collector current divided by the base current. Collector current divided by the base current. And this is how you remember beta and B, they go hand in hand. The collector current divided by the base current. Now what is the base current? Well, don't you know that emitter current is actually base current plus the collector current? So guys, just rearrange. What is the base current? It will be emitter current minus the collector current. That's it. Now just substitute the values. Collector current is 35 milliamperes and emitter current is 40 milliamperes minus collector current, which is 35 milliamperes. So that will be 35 divided by 5, which is 7. That is it. Yes, correct. This is from semiconductors and transistors. So that's very simple, guys. I mean, this is something which was so spot on, just directly formula based. It was so simple. I mean, you should have given this very easily. You should have answered this very easily. All right. Is there a lag? All right. There is lag. Okay. The video is stuck. Acha. 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Yes. Can you hear me now? All right. Yes. Papi Reddy, yes, definitely. I remember you. Guys, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Let me know in the chat box. Is it? Well. Check it now, guys. Check it now. Yes. Can you check it now? Okay. Guys, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Yes, can you hear me now, guys? Can you hear me now? Let me know in the chat box. All right. Just refresh your screen. Guys. All right. Amazing. All right. Cool. Great. So guys, the answer was 7, by the way. The answer was 7. Beta is IC by IB. IC by IB, collector by base current. Base current is emitter minus collector current. Everything was given to you. Just substitute the values. Even if you have read NCERT, I did a special session on NCERT underline and I told you where to read from, what all formulas you should do. If you had even done that basic thing, anybody would have got this. A lallu to lallu guy would have got this. This was such a simple. Okay, one.
Internet.
What happened?
Internet is working fine, right?
Yeah. Guys, can you hear me now? Check now, guys. Oops. All right, lagging too much. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. What to do? What to do? Guys, can you hear me now? Guys, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Yes, guys, can you hear me now? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Yes, yes, yes. Hello, everyone. Yes, yes. Come on. Okay, 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 okay. Very good, very good, very good. Now it's clear. I think there is some kind of an internet issue out here, so that's why probably the video is lagging. So okay, I'll try to go to the next question now. Here we go. The answer was 7:1. All right, let's go to the next one. Now this was also very simple. This was also very simple. I'll tell you what to do in this particular question. Yes, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, so guys, I'll tell you what to do. See, in this question, the first thing you should do is, in order to find this guy's dimension, find out this guy's dimension, because their total dimension should be the dimension of the work. Alright, it should be the total dimension of the work, because e raised to anything is always going to be dimensionless. Keep this in mind. Now whatever is there here is also going to be dimensionless. So think about it, x square by alpha times kb into t is going to be a dimensionless entity. E raised to anything, that anything should be dimensionless. So it should be dimensionless quantity. All right, all right. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. So guys, if there is a lag, what we are going to do is, we are going to, okay, I'll just ask Shimon Sir to come live. That will be better. That will be better. Hold on, hold on. I'll just ask Shimon Sir. Guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Well, I don't know. Can you hear me now? It's okay, no lag. Okay, okay. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. All right, all right, all right. Great, great. So, first, this entity is dimensionless. This entity is dimensionless. Now, this entity over here, Boltzmann constant into temperature, is having the same units as that of energy. So this has the same units as that of energy. So this will be nothing but in joules. Keep this in mind. So this will be in joules. And x square will be in nothing but meter square. So what should be the dimension of alpha? It's very simple. So meter square divided by alpha into joules is having no dimension. So guys, just move it around a little bit. So the dimension of alpha. So the dimension of alpha, think about it. What should the dimension of alpha be equal to? What should be the dimension of alpha be equal to? Come on, come on, come on, guys. Come on, think about it. Again, is it lagging? Again, is it lagging? Let me know. Okay. Chalo. So I'll do one thing. I'll ask Shimon Sir only to come live. That will be better. That will be better. Because I think all the internet is a little bit messed up out here. Yes. So I'm just going to show you the answers of these questions. So guys, just find the alpha value, and from alpha value you can find the beta value. I'll just show you all the answers, by the way. The answer for this was m raised to 1, l raised to 1, t raised to -2. Yes, I'll just show you all the answers because I think my video is lagging. So I'll just show you all the answers so that you have all the answers on your screen. So question number 20, the answer for that, a double star system, 2-star system, the answer for that for velocity was root gm by 2l, root gm by 2l. And for the last one, or second last one, choose the correct option regarding hydrogen spectrum. All of the above were correct. This was based on whatever I had taught. All right, so that was the option. And for the last one, or second last one, choose the correct option regarding hydrogen spectrum. All of the above were correct. This was based on whatever I had taught. All right, so that was the option. And
Oh. Guys, can you hear me now? I hope now it's fine. Yeah? Now is it fine? Okay, great, fine. So the amount of effort, my God, crazy effort we have to put, for a video to go well. So guys, great to be back. Lovely to see you all here still. So I'm going to move forward to the discussion part. Okay. Exactly. Shimon Sir always makes a messy entry. Yup. I will take that as a compliment. So people, let's continue our discussion. So maths, I did almost 15 questions. So more only 4 or 5 questions I have, which my students who are good enough to share, I have got those questions. So let us try to do it. Okay. So my name is Shimon for those who do not know me. So guys, I teach maths at Vedantu, and to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras, and after that I have been teaching, and here I am in this channel helping you guys out for those who are interested to learn in English. Okay, so I teach in English, and today I'll be discussing the leftover questions of JEE Mains Math which I did in the start. Okay, so guys, if you are here new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I love to see you students again and again and again. And the journey is not yet over. It is just the beginning. This is just a very good start for everybody, because all of us know the paper was too easy, and we are all confident maybe the next time we can improve. So to you, this might be a golden opportunity, guys, because we at Vedantu are committed to helping you guys perform better in your next attempt. I want you to have that trust on us. I know it is hard. I know it is hard for students to do that, because you guys have so many opportunities, you have so many options to choose from. So at that time, it is very understandable for me that you guys have a tough choice. But all I can say is make that leap of faith, and we will ensure that you guys are coming out successful. So that is all I can say. And if you guys do that, definitely subscribe and stay tuned to whatever I have in store for you. Okay? So shall we begin? Shall we have a bomb blast? Yes. Fantastic session. Are you all ready for it, guys? Absolutely. Aerospace from IIT Madras. Is it good? Of course, man, it is good. Okay. So let us get started, people. Here we go. The very first question. I want to correct it. So guys, I solved this question, but I told you the answer was A. It's actually C. Okay. You guys were right. So I didn't calculate it fully. So the answer is C. I just want to correct it, because one of your students, Veera Satvik had messaged me. So he told me it is C. So guys, it is option C, it is not A. So please correct it. I solved it, but I didn't complete it. I directly ticked the answer. So it should have been C. I just wanted to show that, because somebody will get upset. Sir, I got this question only correct, sir. And you told option A. My heart is gone. So guys, it is C only, so you guys are right, so don't feel bad. Okay, so let us move forward now. So this is the next question. Guys, I don't know whether this came in the exam because this seems too easy. Okay, this is very, very easy. So let's see how to solve this. I'll teach you the right method. So first of all, what is equation of circle with the endpoints of diameter? So let us say A is nothing but x1 comma y1 and B is nothing but x2 comma y2. So what is the equation of AB as diameter circle? It is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So that is the equation of diameter. So now if I expand this, I'll get x square minus sum of roots and plus product of roots. Okay, so this is nothing but exactly what I have here. So that is what I have here. So it is x square plus 2ax minus b square. Similarly, this will be what? Plus y square minus sum of the roots y1, y2 into y plus product of the roots y1, y2. So it will be y square plus 2py and then you have minus q square. So that is your answer. I think it is option B. So not very sure whether it has come in the question. Okay. So Pujit Tanya is saying, sir, it did not come. Okay, many questions are not there in the exam. No worries guys, because we are getting it from students. You should appreciate it, at least they are sharing it. Okay, so don't worry, this is all useful, right? Do you think this is not useful to you? Who knows, tomorrow you might have a question based on equation of circle with diameter. So always when you have questions, don't feel bad. It is not a waste of time, it is still good only. Okay, so let us move forward to the next one, which is over here. This is a legitimate question. I'm sure you would have got this in your exam. Okay, everybody clear? Isn't it 2py? Is it 2py? Let me check it. Okay, yeah, it should be 2py, guys. Okay, here's a typo. So I think A is the answer then. Yeah, A is the answer. Okay, because here 2py is not there, so this is wrong. So it should be A. Is that correct? That is what you wanted to say, na? I think that is what you wanted to say. So guys, that is right, no problem. Okay, don't worry about it. Anyway, this question did not come in the exam. Let's worry about this question. So what is the distance of this point from the point of intersection of this line with the plane? So any point on this line, if I take it to be equal to lambda, I can write any point on this as 3 plus lambda, y I can write it as 4 plus 2 lambda, and I can write z as 5 plus 2 lambda. So that is your any point on this line. Now if it lies on this plane, then it has to satisfy the plane equation. So x plus y plus z is what? You tell me. Is equal to 17, right? So that is equal to lambda. So it's 5 lambda. Plus you have 12 is equal to 17. So lambda is equal to 1. So the point is x equal to 4, y equal to 6, z is equal to 7. So 4, 6, 7. So that is the point. So what is the distance? The distance between this and this. So it is going to be under root of 4 minus 1, 3 square, 6 minus 1, 5 square, 7 minus 1, 2 square. So that's going to be how much? 38. So root 38 is the answer. Okay. Is that correct? This question was there in my shift. See? So we do give correct questions only. Don't worry about it. Okay. Of course, we are taking so much energy, so much effort to do this for you guys. So of course, we will make sure you guys get the correct questions. And guys, it is not my birthday. Someone is playing a prank on me. Okay. So it is not my birthday. My birthday is long away. It is in August. Okay. So it is a long time far away from this point. So don't worry about it. So shall I move forward, everybody? Shall I go to the next one? Okay. So people, let us go to the next question, which is right over here. And what do we have here? This is a fantastic question because guys, I taught you that it is based on your Newton-Leibniz formula. Again, if you attended my formula revision session, I did this completely. So that is why I keep telling, attend the sessions. You might think they are not very useful. You might think they may not help, but guys, you never know. Okay. So this is a very simple one. You have to use Newton-Leibniz formula because if I put 0 directly, I'll get integral 0 to 0 Whenever you have definite integral from the same limit to the same limit, the value is 0. So here also 0. So it is indeterminate. So can I apply Newton-Leibniz formula or L'Hopital method? What does L'Hopital method say? L'Hopital method says you have to differentiate your numerator and you have to differentiate your denominator. So differentiating your numerator, what will you get? You'll have sine of root t dt, na? So you have to differentiate numerator. Differentiate your denominator is very easy. That is 3x square. Now what is differentiation of your numerator? It is derivative of a integral. Whenever you have a derivative of an integral with varying limits, you have to use your Newton-Leibniz formula. What is that? It is going to be sine of upper limit. So if I put upper limit, it will be root of x square, which will be x, into derivative of upper limit, which will be 2x, minus sine of lower limit into derivative of lower limit, which will be 0. So don't bother about it. So ideally it should be minus sine of root of 0 square, root of 0 into derivative of 0. Okay. So that is how you should do ideally, divided by 3x square. So what is the answer? It will be sine x into 2x by 3x square. So x and x will get cancelled. So you'll have sine x into 2 by 3x. So sine x by x, limit extending to 0 is 1. So the answer is 2 by 3, my dear. Okay, so 2 by 3 is the answer for this question. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, everybody? Very good, Dhruv. Very good. Absolutely right. Okay, brilliant job, guys. Did you all like it? This is the way you have to solve it. Yes, SPBT Internet. The PDF will be available to you right after the class. Everybody got it? Fantastic, fantastic people. So that is how you do it. Let us move on to the next question. So this is your next question. Guys, this is a good one. Okay, it is not very straightforward. You need to really think about it and solve it. Okay, so let us try to do it. Please listen carefully, all of you. Okay, I want all of you to pay attention. Dinesh Rao, try to pull the video back and look at it. Okay, try to pull the video back and look at it. Okay, so guys, please listen carefully. So first of all, mod x from minus a to a, can I write it as 0 to a 2 times of x? So that I can do it like that. Now I have integral minus a to a mod of x minus 2 dx. Now that is equal to 22. So this is what I need to solve. Guys, it is a very, very fantastic question. Yes, Hari Prasad, the answer is 3. Dhruv, you're right. Hari Prasad, you're right. Karthik, you're right. Everybody is correct. You guys are all absolutely right because 3 is the answer. So let us try to complete it. So what will this be? This will be a square. This will just be a square plus this I have to split my integral. Okay. So I will split it as minus a to 2. It will be 2 minus x because it will be negative. And from 2 to a, it will be positive. So it will be x minus 2 dx. That's it. Now that will be equal to 22. Now you guys can open the integral, get the value of your a. That's it. This is the way you do it. Okay. So it is going to be what? It is going to be a square plus 2 times of 2 plus a. Okay. Minus of x square by 2. So it will be minus of x square by 2. And that will be what? 2 square by 2 plus a square by 2, right? Or you'll have minus of a square by 2. Okay. Plus here what will you have? You will have x square by 2. So it will be a square by 2 minus 2 square by 2. And then you will have minus of 2 times of a minus 2. Now that is equal to 22. So guys, try to solve for it and get the answer. Very good, Kanak Sharma. So Kanak Sharma is getting all the questions of his shift. Very good, Kanak. So you will be able to check whether you did it correctly or wrong. Okay. So let us try to complete it, my dear students. Everybody please pay attention. So what do we have here? I have a square plus 4 plus 2a plus 4 plus 2a. I'll have minus 2 plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2. I'll get minus 2 minus 2a plus 4 is equal to 22. So I'll have, is that correct? Yep. So it is not 4a, it is 2a, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's why I was wondering. So this plus 2a, this minus 2a will get cancelled. and I'll have a square plus a square, which will be 2a square, and then plus 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled. So 2a square is equal to 18, so a square equal to 9, so a is equal to 3. Why is a equal to 3? Because your a is greater than 2. That's it, as simple as that. Okay, did you all like it? Okay, very good guys, fantastic job. Are you all able to follow, my dear students? Everybody is enjoying it? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? Was it a fantastic question the way we solved it? This is how I want you also to approach in an exam setup. You should be very systematic, don't make any error, and you will reach the right answer because you guys are smart and you guys are well prepared. Just be confident and look at your questions. These questions are all very simple. They test your basics only. Got it? Yes, Dhruv, the answer is 3. Okay, so when you solve the next integral, so you'll have what? 3 to minus 3, you'll have x plus gif of x dx. So that is your answer. Now this is an odd function. So since it's an odd function, from minus 3 to 3 it will be 0. So this integral will be nothing but 3 to minus 3, you have gif of x dx. So this is what you need to do. I'm sure you guys can solve this. Are you all clear with this? Everybody? All of you can do it? Yes? Please try to complete it because guys, this will be what? It will be negative of integral minus 3 to 3 gif of x dx. So I just reversed my limit. If I reverse my limit, I need to put a minus here. So now you can do it by graph. That is what I would prefer. So minus 3 to 3. So minus 3 you have, then minus 2 you have minus 1. So it will be like this. Minus 3 to minus 2 will be 2. Then it will be 1. Then okay, it will be minus 3. It will be minus 2. It will be minus 1. It will be 0. It will be 1 and it will be 2. So this is how the graph looks like. This area. So this is 2. This is 1. This is 0. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. So this and this will cancel out. This and this will cancel out. So the area is actually 3, which it forms with the x-axis. So I'll have minus of minus 3, which is equal to 3. So 3 is the answer. Did you guys like it? Fantastic, na? Look at the way we solved it. So this is how you should think. You will be very fast if you're like this. Okay. So this is the graphical way of solving it. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed it. Are you all clear? Hello, Anirudh. Yes, tell me what happened. Yes, Pawan Sai. Very good, very good. So Pawan Sai, what I did was I tried to evaluate the area of greatest integer function from minus 3 to 3 with the help of graph, because that way it is much easier. You can do it by other methods also, but I prefer graph because it is faster. Okay. Yes, Anirudh Singh. Anirudh Singh, I will repeat it. So guys, you basically have what? Minus of minus 3 to 3. You have gif of x dx. So what is the graph of greatest integer function of x? So let me draw it properly. So you have minus 3, you have minus 2, you have minus 1, you have 0, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3. So now from minus 3 to minus 2, the gif is minus 3. From minus 2 to minus 1, the gif value is minus 2. From minus 1 to 0, the gif value is minus 1. From 0 to 1, it is 0. From 1 to 2, it is 1. From 2 to 3, it is 2. Okay, so this area is 2 because height is 2, breadth is 1. Height is 1, breadth is 1, so area is 1. Height is 0, breadth is 1, so area is 0. Height is minus 1, breadth is 1, so minus 1. Height is minus 2, breadth is 1, so area is minus 2. Height is minus 3, breadth is 1, so area is minus 3. So when I add all of it up, I will get minus of, this will be minus 3. So the answer is plus 3. Wonderful. Did you guys like it? Yes, this is the way you solve it. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Now let us go forward to the very last question. Guys, this one, I think there's some error in it. If anybody can help me with the right question, I will solve it for you. Did anybody get a question like this? Do you guys remember? Yeah? Do you guys remember this question? Anybody? Because the way I have written it is wrong. This question is not right. I want you to tell me what is the right answer. It is e to the power, is it? It is e to the power what? Okay. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so but what is that equal to? Oh, that satisfies this. So that means t is equal to 1 or 9. Okay, so that means e to the power. Is this correct, guys? Let me write it, you check it. So can I sum it up till infinity as what? Cos square x by 1 minus cos square x ln 2. Is that correct? Is this the correct question? Yeah? Is this the correct question? Because this is a GP in cos, na? If this is a GP in cos, the summation is a by 1 minus r. Okay? Or is this the correct question? Then it is very easy. So it is nothing but e to the power ln of 2 to the power tan cot square x. So that is nothing but 2 to the power cot square x. Okay? So it is 1 or 8, right? It is 1 or 8. So 2 to the power cot square x is equal to 2 to the power 0 or 2 to the power 3. So cot square x is equal to 0 or 3. So it cannot be 0 because 0 and pi by 2 are not included. So 0 is not possible. So cot square x equal to 3. So that means cot x is equal to root 3. So x is equal to what? X is equal to pi by 6. So it is 30 degree. So the answer is 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus root 3 into root 3 by 2. So it will be 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, which will be 2, right? So 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 is the answer. Half is the answer. Okay? So that is how you solve it. Thank you for helping me with the question. That is the right question. Okay? Everybody, did you guys like it? So 0.5 is the answer. 0.5 is the answer. I hope everybody is clear with it. Got it? So after this, I have only one more question. So guys, we are almost done with 20 questions of today's paper. Isn't that fantastic? So 20 questions you guys have understood without even waiting for the paper. That is the beauty of Vedantu and the people at Vedantu. Okay, so tech, please pull the video back and check it out. Okay, so let us try to solve this question. Did you guys get this question, everybody? Did you guys get this question? Yes, of course, Kanak. These questions were supposed to be in your shift because we are discussing the paper 1 which you wrote today morning. Okay, so yes, Neela Lohit, answer is 5. The answer is 5. So guys, first of all, you want A intersection. What is A? A is a 3-digit natural number. That means it starts from 100 and goes all the way up to 999. So that is your A. Got it? So now you want to find intersection with your B and C, B union C. Okay? So you want to find A intersection B union A intersection C. So we will find all the 3-digit numbers which are of this form, which are of this form. Okay? So which are of this form will be what? It will start from 101. Okay? So I want to sum it up, 9k plus 2. So what is the first number? The first number will start from 101. Because if I put 11, if I put k equal to 11, k 9 into 11 will be 99. 99 plus 2 will be 101. So that will be the first number in this format. And all the way up to 110. Because if I put 110, it will be 990 plus 2, 992. That will be the last number. That is the sum of values in A intersection B. In A intersection C, it will be the same sum, but I will sum it up from k equal to 11 to k equal to 110, but it will be 9k plus L. So just sum it up. This sum is equal to what? This sum is equal to 400 into 274. That's it. It is actually pretty simple. It just feels as though it is difficult, but actually it is very simple. So I can club these two. So it will be 18k summing up from k equal to 11 all the way up to 110 plus L plus 2. How many times am I adding? L plus 2 is a constant because L is a constant. I am adding 11 to 110 times. 11 to 110 is how many numbers? 100 numbers. So that I am multiplying by 100. So that is equal to 400 into 274. Now you just have to simplify it and get the answer. That I hope you guys can do. If you want me to solve, let me know. I will do that for you. So how do you solve this? 18. So it will be 18 into 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 all the way up to 110. Okay, plus 100 into L plus 2 is equal to 400 into 274. So guys, can you add this up? That is an AP, right? Arithmetic progression. So what is sum of an AP? Sum of an AP is what? How many terms? 100 terms are there. So n by 2 into first term plus last term, which will be 121. Plus you have 100 into L plus 2 is equal to 400 into 274. So let's cancel 100 everywhere. 100 cancel, 100 cancel, 100 cancels. So you'll have 9 into 121, which will be 1089 plus L plus 2 is equal to 4 into 274, 1080, 1080 plus 1016, 1096. So L plus 2 is equal to 7. So L is equal to 5, right? So 5 is the answer. Nice question. It was a good question. I liked it. Okay. So this is a very nice question. I hope you guys are all fine with it. So in case you have any doubt, let me know. Otherwise, we will move forward. Did you all like it? Everybody? Yes. Fantastic, guys. You are all awesome. Great. So here we go to the next question. Is there any? No. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Did you all like it? Can I see some yes, yours in the chat? How did you like it? Can I see some action in the chat? How many of you are here? Are you all ready? Yes, thank you guys, because you are the ones who shared the questions. You guys are so sweet. Fantastic, guys. Hello, Varshita. Great. So guys, in case you're all enjoying, don't forget to subscribe, because like I said, we will do it tonight also. How many of you are excited for tonight? How many of you are excited for tonight's discussion? Will you all be there? Those who are writing on 26th, don't forget to be there, because it can be helpful. I'm going to discuss tonight as well, and tomorrow also, day after tomorrow, every day, every shift will be solved, so that you get the maximum benefit out of this. Okay? So all of you, take care, do subscribe to the channel, do give us a like, because that encourages us. So already I have lost my voice, and that is because I want to come there and be there for you guys. I don't even care about it, but because I want you to do well in your shift tomorrow and the day after. So guys, do show your support, do let us know that you are enjoying these sessions, comment it down below, and do like, share, subscribe, send it to your friends. Many of your friends might be needing it. Okay? And in case you want to know more, if you want to like talk to me, or if you want to, ask me for advices, you can message me on Instagram. That is my Instagram ID, Shimon_Joseph. Okay? Shimon_Joseph is my Instagram ID. You can message me there in case you have any doubt or any problem. Okay? So guys, the difficulty level of the paper was moderate for math. Okay? I wouldn't say easy. It was moderate. Okay? And PDF will be available to you after the class is over, which is almost done now. So guys, many of you really understood that the paper was not difficult, not very hard. So if somebody teaches you a little bit, yes, Satvik, I will not teach everything, but I do teach a certain chapter. Okay? If somebody pushes you, if somebody teaches you over the next 2-3 months, guys, you can make a difference. I'm sure you realize that. Don't you realize that? How many of you feel that if you studied a little bit more, you are a bit more cautious, you could have performed better? Can you raise your hands? Can you let me know, sir, I could have done better if I just prepared a little bit more? So don't have that regret in the next session. In the next March attempt or April attempt, don't let that happen. Because guys, we are here to help you prepare for it. Like I said, we have this golden opportunity right in front of us, and it is available for such a price which you can't even deny. And still you want to let go of it? And still you want to let go of it? What does that mean? Guys, come on, look at it, guys. 7,000, you get the best teachers in India. We solved the entire JEE paper in just half an hour. 12 o'clock, you finish the exam. By the time you reached your house, we started solving. So we are able to do that because we want you to perform. We want to be there for your preparation. So definitely check it out. Maybe it can be a game changer. This 7,000 which you pay for the crash course using this coupon code can help you master your next attempt. And you guys will let me know. It will help you definitely. You can also reach out to me on Instagram. I will be your personal mentor. Okay? And guys, if you do well in your JEE Mains, you will be mentored by our own co-founder. He is Anand Prakash Sir. So he has guided many students to get top ranks. In case you want to be mentored by him, you need to clear your JEE Mains with a very good rank. You need to at least score more than 96 percentile. Okay? So with that, we will stop. I think that's about the end. So Eklavya batches start from 8th March, 19th March, 1st May, 29th May. So in case you are interested, do check it and do submit your details in the description below. The PDF will be given at the end of the session. So guys, with that we will conclude. I hope you had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe. And guys, did you all enjoy it? How is the Josh? Shall we meet again at 8 o'clock? Shall we meet again at 8 o'clock? Will you be ready by then? Yes? Will you be ready by 8 o'clock? Will you all be excited and ready to solve some questions along with me? Yup. Fantastic guys. That's the spirit. Take care. Go take some rest. Revise. And now cool your mind, relax and come back after some time. Okay? All the very best guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you all. And it was great teaching you guys. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye. Okay. Yup.